I am here vibing one of the most prolific dancehall DJs of the 90s. His parents named him Nigel Grandison, but we know him as...
One and only Little Lenny.
Father Lenny.
Yeah, man.
All things, sir. Man, that's a respect to the brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's a joy for the reason with the word. Yeah, sir.
Respect,
yeah, man. Blessings.
I will tell them, sir, teach them. You want Little Lenny to reach them, you know. It's just like this. We tell them we, nobody can test we, how we run the country. Teach them, we, nobody can test we, how we run the country. Pam, pam, that the one day you're standing up. Teach them, don't kill it already. Up on the mic, now this is Little Lenny. And everybody, if you come follow me, we go so we, nobody can test we. Teach them, make sure that one you reach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewer discretion is advised.
Sir Lenny.
Yes, I am.
How are things, sir?
Great, you know?
Great. Yeah? It is great to see the man looking... Right now you look younger than me, brother.
Still feel like 16. You know?
Still feel like 16.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
East Kingston. Well, actually, I was born in Almantown, you know. But my mother moved to East Kingston when I was about 2 years of age, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's why I left from them.
So you grew up in East Kingston?
Yeah, Franklin Town, Dunkirk. Yeah.
How many siblings?
Actually, 8 away, you know. Yeah, man. 6 boys and 2 girls, you know.
Everybody for mommy and daddy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And one pass, you know.
One pass.
Rest in peace.
My
you know?
condolence,
Yeah,
brother.
man.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Mom is still around, but daddy passed quite a number of years ago, yeah, man.
My condolences again, sir. And mommy alright?
Great, man. She what? 85. Yeah, man.
Mommy I go on well, man.
Nice, man. She bat good and I tell her she don't look at the over 30.
Yeah.
But she
What's the she you get it from then? Sir?
She live in Florida, man.
Yeah, she live in Florida. Well, hope she alright because
Yeah,
they don't
man.
know so that thing and they all over the place.
Oh, yeah. I talk to her every day. So.
That's good, that's good. So, 8 of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was it like growing up though?
Rough.
It was rough.
Because, I mean, as the last one, I mean, I was very sheltered, you know.
Oh, you were the wash belly?
Yeah, man. Even though not never go on, I'm still trying to shelter me. You know? But it is rough. Really, really rough. You know, you live in a tenement yard, you want to go to the bathroom, you have to wait until... It actually was a lion to use the bathroom, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them time they 4 lay down cross, now we up on the bed and 4 lay down go for this one.
Real struggles?
Yeah, man. Real struggle was real. Real. And them thing they real, you know.
Yeah. Schooling?
I attended what was the name of that basic school? Elam, Somerset Avenue? No, Pilgrim Basic.
Pilgrim Basic?
Yeah, I think. And then I went down to Franklin Town Primary School, which, trust me, I think that's how my thing start.
Franklin Town?
Yeah, man. I moved down to Kingston College in a year, really for the purpose, but you see the root of the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to remember this. So. You know what I mean?
Important.
Yeah, man. And I was groomed at Franklin Town Primary. You know, them time the teacher was teacher, you know. And I remember while going to school, because I never used to go to school on Friday, you know.
Financial reasons?
Yeah, I used to have to go also with the whole lady, you know what I mean? She used to sell panty and brassiere and slip and thing, and she have 2 bags, me have 2 as a little juvenile, 10, 9-year-old, me have the little bag on my back and thing. And, you know, I remember one time, teacher said, boy, I want to talk to your mother. Start fret now, because when teacher said, go for your mother, you have a problem, you know. The teacher, my mother knows, said, look here, you need to send this child to school on Fridays because he's brilliant, you know, and we don't want him miss a day out of school and thing. And mother tell her, said, boy, but we can't afford it, you know. Teacher said, don't worry, send him come on my thing, we give him the private lesson for free. Them thing in there again. You see me I saying every morning
You do that, man, but yeah, teachers will still do that.
Boy, I don't know.
I tell you, man, I'm a teacher by profession.
Oh,
the whole of
right,
us are teachers by profession. Yeah?
All right, boss. So, you know, every morning now, I end up standing up right beside KC, because that's where I used to live at one point.
Oh, you did live next to case? Oh, okay.
Yeah, my backyard, the wall was joined to the college, you know, so it's like, it was destiny for I and I. You know, see it, so I used to go to morning time and meet the teacher, you know, take her bag and me and her walk up. Miss Williams, me I tell you, one of the greatest teacher that we ever buck up. You know, and to be very honest, me never like school, so me never mind the free time.
Friday there.
But you have some teacher who they just like me, even though I was a hard youth for like.
Yeah.
You know, because growing up in the ghetto, your nose are run and you're full of fussy and it's hard for people like you.
Yeah.
You know them way there, and them just like me and me join this club named Builders Club. And the teacher there, you know, them that try to pull the talent out of the students to see what you can do. Some people could have played the drums. So she said, what you can do? Come here, Grandison, what you can do? And I was a big fan of Peter Metro because music did run into the thing, you know. Brother-in-law was a producer, you know, Clive Jarrett. Dead to me, him soul rest in peace, you know. And he used to go to the studio and bring home these songs. He used to record, he used to put it a whole heap of songs with Peter Metro and Yellow Man and all of them, man. So I used to listen to them and do them back. So I did a Peter Metro one with my DJ in Spanish, and the teacher said, boy, you know, you're good. We are going to enter in one of them school things, you know. So it was an all-island thing. I went to Dunoon. You know, who used to go Dunoon? Great Shabba ranking. And Nada ranks. So there was a contest there, and the night the judge said, who are the winner? And them said, the little youth. I don't think Shabba ranks take like, if them like that thing there, I said, boy, about the youth that go to school. So the man said, about the youth, bad. You the youth make up the place, and Nada ranks was there, so I win it over Nada. And Shabba, because you know, a whole heap of years that, you know, because we are old people now. So. You know, see it, and from there, so, it started, you know, until we did kind of put it down a little bit and started taking up the books, you know, as it had come up to common entrance and thing. And when common entrance come out now, and everybody in the class, and I try to find out which school them pass for. So they used to call me Buckleman, you know. Because everybody knows, as a struggler, at night time, we used to in the dance hall.
I pick up a buckle.
So you see, if you dance and you see the crowd apart, so you saw a little man, and me, I cut through the crowd because them run me down. See, I said, leg on the buckle them.
Yeah.
I mean, I left my buckle rasta car. You see what I say? So, teacher turned to them and said, don't worry about buckle man. Buckle man now go far from him yard. From me hear that. I know, sir. Yeah, I know, sir, the college. I go, I said to my mother, I said, Mama, you know, sir, KC, me I go. And she said, where you go, yeah? You can't go KC. And I said, that's cool, man. I said, the teacher said, I nah go far from the yard. She said, yeah, another school there close to the yard, Vineyard Town Secondary. See? I said, all right. Them time the common entrance results used to come out in the paper. So my brother him go join the line from about 3 o'clock in the morning to get a paper. And I tell you, I said, brother, me don't know how him ride the bicycle come back the morning because it was just pure excitement. The man start ball out, KC! You know? My mother said, Jesus Christ, this boy put me in a problem now. Because I've been telling him growing up,
Now the money for go KC.
No, that was a problem. And even though my old man was with them, never lived together, but he was there for us, you know, but him still never have it.
No, have it like that.
You know what I mean? And me come up with a brilliant idea. When me start, you know, me sell my grade 6 book them. And thing. Yeah, if you buy, when I could have buy if I go into the college. You know? And every year, we do the same thing. I sell the grade 7 book them to buy the grade 8. Because as I tell you, my mother was just a struggle. It just never happened. You know what I mean? There? And I did love the music. From another just them time and night, you know, from your baby I come to. I used to follow one little song named Star Wars, you know. We come from the east, you know, with Trevor as the selector. Enough DJ know them sound, you know. And I want to tell them, look at DJ, you know, so them figure study the thing. See? It's a university and a whole heap of literature there on it. You know, go learn the thing. Nobody just come and go in your bedroom and in your living room and put up a little Pro Tool thing and make a tune and have it to play up on the radio. Learn the thing. See? Yeah, man, we used to do a dance as juvenile at night time, man, and Star Wars a play. We used to be the send out. A man want a beer, we go buy it. So people used to love we. So who could have touched the mic early? You know what I mean? And hear how it sound. So I'm going to the college and thing. I used to have some brethren where them know some can DJ. So them, at lunchtime they used to boot me up and say, yo, go on, but do a thing by the way. I said, no man, I'm not depend on the music thing. You know? Until Dave Kelly and Tony Kelly now, we actually did end up living in the same vicinity and we're on the same corner. We call ourselves Fabulous Crew. So we used to go at Tough Car night time with Dave Kelly. And I remember one night, Stereo Mix, was doing a session. So Dave said, "For come." So I said, "All right, I join my brother named Professor Grizzly." And I said, "Yo, come. I go to the studio tonight, you know, we'll see if we can make a tune." So we did it, and man, guess who was in the studio, man? I like a little rat, you know. And still saw people and the great Ninja Man, you know.
God.
We are talking about, man, when the Ninja Man done DJ, man, and go through the door and we come out. And Dave said, "Yo, go on, make me hear one." I say. I saw we come up, now I turn to the singer and I say, "Yo, you know the song with him Shining Star?" And he say, "No, really, you know." So we just hum it briefly for him, and if you listen to the song, he have some of the words right still about. The man run the duck, man.
Yeah.
I would jump on the duck the night. And the man say, "Yo, a big tune, this and producer hear it and liked it, you know."
Yeah.
Mix it and put it out, boop, tune run away. But as I tell you, so the struggling was real and it's still on. All I man did want, because they come up to Christmas when that tune they come out. And I said, "Boy, I want a pair of Clarks, a jeans and a shirt." And man I say, "Yo." Producer said, "Yeah, I can get that." I said, "All right." So, me and Grizzly walk up in the yard. I won't say which part. I will go there. I hear when him tell him, baby, mother say, "Yo, tell him, I'm not there." I turn to the Grizzly and I say to him, "Brethren, this is what I tell you, a fool the man them I take over. See, me just about to take my book and see how far me can go into this education thing. I really wanted to become a lawyer. You see it? And Grizzly just loves singing. Him not stop singing. So I said, "Brother, I'm done with it." So one night I did a study, exam time and thing, and Tony Kelly come and say, "Yo, my brother start a label and he wants some new artists." So I said, "Count me out, I not go." See? And I said, "Come, my brother, come, man." And I said, "Brother, I'm not going." I said, "I have exam, I not go." See? And him convinced me. Go the night, and when I went there, I saw Little Kirk. I saw Tanta Metro, and there was Cutty Ranks. You know, so Tanta did his thing. Kirk, them time they promote a thing with Kirk named Man in the Mirror. See?
Yeah, the Michael Jackson do over.
That was supposed to be his big song, you know. So when they played the rhythm for that, and they played Tanta Metro thing, and they played Little Kirk, Cutty Ranks thing, I went downstairs and I hid under the staircase at Penthouse, cause I say, "Nah, go appear big star up there," you know. Tanta come down and said to me, say, "Yo, come try out. I could hear what you have to say." And I say, "Yo, I'm not too sure." And I say, "Come, man. Go up there and Dave Kelly I play around the drum machine and Firehouse I play the thing." And I say, "Oh, we go." Because I never had the intro for the song at the time. I was just there saying, she have to go there about it. She, mind she shoot you with it. And, yeah. And then I play the song, I play the rhythm. Them never like it. So at the end of it, Dave Kelly turned to me and said, "My youth, rough up the intro, man, I want to you. Hear that intro, yeah. Now I'm warning all those girls walking around with guns. Hold it down. God, this is, I must say, look how much freer that had to it." So I said, "All right." Still never like the song.
You never like it?
No, man, the producer, man, Patrick Roberts never like the song like that.
So Patrick was the producer at the time?
Yeah, man. Then this is going to be his first big tune, you know. See? So, I man did no one say, "So I'm telling you I'm done in music." They the one they drop me tie in one thing for go to school and so just to come on and ride a come on a bicycle. And I say, "Yo, youth, more you come do back the tune for me, same way." So I say, "Why?" I think you say never like it. He say, "Boy, we go to Gemini last night and 14 times the tune pull up." And I say, yeah. He must say, "Yo, what's the $2,000 here?" Then tell me $2,000, Lord God Almighty, man. Yo, a boss, me just boss, man. $2,000? Yeah. Man, come on. Go in and, as I tell you, so the struggle was real. Because I said, I carry the $2,000 give my mother. Because you see, everything we do was about my mother. Because I want to prove to my mother, say, "Hey, I'm going to make it.
Yes.
I'm going to take care of you because you go through too much for we, man." You know?
Yes.
I carry the $2,000 again. And she said, "Where you get this?" And I said, "Boy, I'm do a song for your man and I'm come do it." Because she knows I love music and she knows I do music. You know? I just say, "You sure? Mine, you know, mine." And I said, "Nah, man, I'm a music man and I'm going to record about the song." And they were trying to get a distributor for it. Nobody wanted to distribute
it because of the contents I saw.
Yeah, it's too powerful, you know. And Patrick said, I'm going to get her money. and press it himself. Because them time when you had press a tune yourself, be a great task that you know.
Yes.
See? And I think we pressed the first 300 copies and man, that blew like breeze. And him use the money from that and him press 1,500 copies and that just blow away. And I think Winston Riley link him and say, yo, we'll take it on for you, you know. And I saw the tune get away, you know. Everybody wanted now to know who was this little man. And just like how me I do the interview you feel, I won't call the man name. Man come me yard. I said, me a beg your interview, man. See? Me nah put your picture in the paper or nothing like that. And I say, sure. He say, yeah man, put on a uniform and drop your tie and give me a picture too and thing. And I say, alright. Me like a fool. Take the picture and thing and we get a show of Grand Cayman. First time I leave Jamaica. And I say, oh, mama nice now, I fly out. Go to Cayman and come back. Man, I see the Gleaner. I see my picture up front.
Wasn't the Gleaner?
You what? Kingston College student sings gun in a baggy. Me I said, John, what dead? Me dead now. What is? Man, promise me say him now put the thing in the paper. Book me go to school. I'll show in a Cayman was on the weekend, you know.
Oh, so you go for the show and come back
Yeah, go for the show and come back for school and thing and Daddy and the principal come at the class. So Nigel Grandison, stand up. You know, I pay my mind because you know the principal whole heap of youth okay, see, you can't look at me and tell me I'm medium. So. See, so the man just go back upstairs and pull the file and come back and say, laddie boy, up to my office. Yeah, man, I say, Lord God, what is now? Up and I say, boy, if me know when me cast the school and the buzz that is out there and is a Kingston College student disrespecting females. So I said, no, it's not disrespecting females. I said, I mean, because the song came about, really, you know, a friend of mine came to me one morning and I said to me, boy, I'm get shot, if you know what that means.
Yeah, man.
So I said, what? He must have beg you $40 now. So I said, I don't forget $40 from, you know? $40 enough money them time there. I tell you something. You know how get a house there with the red oak on the ground and thing?
Yeah, man.
When the man tell me say him get shot, brother, I ground me drop. Me roll, me laugh. I had to change my uniform. I couldn't go to school in that uniform because it was like red up.
Yeah.
See? I come back and I change my uniform and come. I say, you really get shot? And he must say, yeah, man, and I saw the tune come about, you know. And I said, she have me going that way. And anyway, when the whole thing and the college thing blow up and thing, I turned to the principal and I said, sir, I said, I can correct it, you know. I can correct it. And he said, you can correct it, the damage already done. So I said, no, man, I can do the clean version. And Admiral Bailey had a song out there. You know that song. See? And Admiral Bailey came with a counteraction named Healthy Body. So I said, I can come with a Healthy Body too. You know? Because he have a song which says, give me my key, none, give me my banana, oh, give me my, see? And I said, all right, I could name my own Healthy Body too, see? And I saw me do the she of the Healthy Body and boop, it dropped. Number 1, 22 weeks in the chart. See? And the man, them hands and gloves me up and I say, yo, you're the greatest thing since sliced bread. Here's what you do. You just make the music and we will take care of the finances. See? I said, all right. Mama nice, no, man.
Before we go there, Sador, the KC thing, how did that play out after the principal called?
All right. He came and he told me not to come back to school.
Just like that?
Until I come with my parents.
Oh.
As I tell you, you know how the parents something they go. My father the one side, my mother the one side. My mother was a lady where, if you look it, so she'd get sickly too and she just couldn't come. And I have a brother will come represent me. And them man don't have no manners in a brother. I tell you. And before the man begged for me. the man said, yo, hear me man. My brother don't need you know. And the man just start dealing with the thing billions. And from there so it just never happened again, you know. Just tell me say, take leave from the school. And that was it. And I tried to get myself into Camperdown. If you notice, I say myself because
nobody named it with a try.
No, I tell you, so we come from a family background where every man, each man have to fend for themselves, you know. So I look after myself from my juvenile. from selling cigarette into dancehall to come boss, you know.
So the camper down thing work out?
No, it never happened, you know.
Why?
Because I don't know how the principal knows me come, but the gate was padlocked. And when we reached, the principal stand up on the balcony and say, go back from whence like here. They have to just move and they just call it a day from there, so, you know.
And you were in which grade at the time?
I was in fourth form.
Oh, you were in grade 10?
Yeah, man.
But you took that though. I mean, you were told to leave KC, not in probably so many words, and the camper down effort failed.
Yeah. It licked me hard, you know. It licked me hard, but then I look back on the thing and I say, but right now the thing is to survive. And survive well. And if I see where this music can make I survive well and take me out of poverty, I could just go at it 110%. So I just take music for it. And then all these tours start coming up and thing. And as I tell you, all I was thinking about was mama.
Yeah.
You know, I had to prove to mama, say me can take her out of the poverty.
Yeah.
You know. And from this, it just take off.
And you say some man now tell us say you do the music and them take care of the financial aspect.
Yeah, man, which they really.
That don't look like you work out so well neither.
Really, they take care of the financial aspect of it, but for themselves. You understand? Because remember now, you know, stick a pin. I was 16, seeing? So you start growing at the thing now. The whole heap of laughy and joke thing done now. When you turn big man, because I say I want to buy one house now. You understand? And when
At 16 you pre that?
Yeah, man. They don't want to move out I gets, man. But the yard, them live in a sewage and run all through the yard, you know. Yeah, so, you know, you knock your marble and it drop in the gutter water, you take it up back. So you want to come out of them thing there, you know. And when I start get my first real thing them now, which was in Canada, and because I go to Canada, yeah, before I go in America, you know. So I used to run in Canada regular, I'm there in Canada. And you see all the things them when I did want as a youth, and couldn't get. When I come from Canada, I come with my man, because I did want one all a bicycle. And I come from Canada, 1 dozen bicycle, I come with me. Yeah, man, all of my friends them have bicycle, man, every man have bicycle. So when I came from Canada now, person that came to the airport to pick me up said to me, you know, go back to the house where you come from, you know. So I say, I mean, I say, yeah man, mama, hold something. So I say, where I say? I say, you have your own room. Now, you can imagine a man I tell you that, you know, you have your own room. So I say, well, I see what I go on, and when I reach the yard, I see a little car park under one tree there, and I say, are you want that, you know? So I say, what you say? I say, yeah man, mama, give me money. I say, I buy a car for you. And I never even have a license. So it was purchased in my bigger brother name. And thing. And I said, well, things are going good for me, man. But then now, mama live there, so. And you get older now, you turn 18, 19 now, so.
Big man said.
Yeah, man, you tell yourself, say, boy, right now, I'm going to have all woman and one thing, you know, so. No one their own mama and disrespect mama with the man, so. So I said to the man, them say, yo, well, man, I can't get my little apartment uptown, I come out of there. A setting here, because that was Vineyard Town, which was a little step up from Dunkirk. See? And man say, but you don't have no money. So I say, oh, you mean I don't have no money? So they say, all of my money pay for studio time and production and things. So I say, oh, so if my money pay for studio time and all the production, that means me own the thing them then. You know, see, and they say, no. So I say, mean no. Then if your money pay for something, you're one brother. Yeah. See? And you know, if you understand, say it wasn't mine. So I did start pre-life different now. Start go on some shows now and I say I want to see the money. I actually want to see the physical funds we are coming. I want to know what I want. See? We go to Bermuda. And I did four songs on the stage when I came off because I was told that it was my brethren's birthday party. So we just carry some artists go endorse the thing. See? When I came off the stage, the promoter came to me and he said, boy, Lenny, boy, you mashing up the promotion, boy. So I say, you mean me mash up the promotion? I say, what you talking about? The man said, man, I paid $15,000 for you, you know. I say, what you say? Them time that, you know, I never see $15,000 US before. Never. You know,
So the man I say, pay 15 grand and you give him 4 tune.
But yet still, I was never paid for the show.
Yes.
See?
What do you mean you never paid for the show?
No, I
So you
was
don't get nothing other than 15 grand there?
get 2,000 US dollar.
2 grand.
2 grand US.
So you're 13 there.
See? I don't know. I can't tell you. See? So, I man got a big man and I say, I don't understand. Virgin, I say, 15 grand. You chat too much where you go ask the man question for me. I say, I don't ask the man no question. I just do what I say I go do and I come off of the stage. And the man say, I violate him thing because him pay X amount of money for you. And it was like a little standoff going on there now. You know? A little standoff going on. Because they must say, Lenny I get too wise. You know, Lenny I get smart. Lenny start inquire about money. See? I man go do David Letterman late night show. See? NBC. Me, Maxi Priest, Dennis Brown and Shining. I don't know if you ever see that clip in there.
In the interview, in the video I do with you, man.
See? When you go on those shows, you get a check immediately on the spot. See? And you're supposed to get a check every time.
It is earned.
All right. See? I didn't even see the check on the spot, nor the one them after that. So I start get curious. You know, I say, when I see back Shining and I see certain man, I say, yo, what that thing did it go? And I say, you my youth. Man, I say, no, so them thing there are your pension. Where them thing they come in the mail to you.
Royalties.
So I say, but I never see them thing there yet. You know? While on the tour again, I was told that Sony Music was interested in I and I. See? Because the Juvenile mash up the world, and I tell you, say, I don't ask you, no, brother. The Juvenile I mash up the world. See? When we walk out on stage, it was just pandemonium, man.
Yeah.
See? And I say, yeah, Columbia Records sound like a good move. You know?
That's a great move, that plenty well.
Get a thing,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
come down, I come tell you, say, Tony Kelly, that genius, you know. Tony hear the thing and say, yo, Columbia, we're going to just make some tune. We're going to just make some tune, I will pick from that. See? And we just make tune, we just make tune, we just make tune, we just make tune. Went to New York, I'm here, so I'm going to do a photo shoot for the album. Them say, them give me $600 US, say me for go buy something for put on and things. So I say, yo, come I still not come out of poverty yet, no, brother. So I say, me, $600 US, you know what I can do for mama? Eh? So me put the $600 in my pocket and I take a bus over to Manhattan to do the photo shoot. See? When I do the photo shoot, word start go around, say, deposit drop and all of them things there for the album already and thing. And I don't see cent out of them thing there. See? I have never seen a royalty statement. I don't know what a royalty statement look like. It's since me turned big man and sign up and done and top DJ, me I see some statement that come from some places. See? But in my early days when royalty is supposed to enough, see?
Nothing.
No, I've never seen a statement. You know, so tell me what that was. Tell me, you know. So we started come back and thing and that is some like a Caribbean thing. But we bring in some outer artists that wasn't shocking vibe artists.
Yes.
You know. And them man they get paid.
You and I
So
get paid.
I the guy and I say, oh, I not get the money. And I like you hear boy right now, the money not there and the tickets were pre-sold and we get robbed. So I got a general degree, because general degree was there. General degree had the #1 song, I had the number few song there. See? A song named Fragile.
Fragile body. We
Fragile,
can't say it,
okay,
but-
Fragile Body.
Yeah.
It was written by me and Tony Kelly, again, the great Tony
Yeah.
Kelly. See? And you know, you can imagine, you have the #1 and #2 artists from Jamaica. See?
Money up enough.
What you talk about, man? I was given $100 US. See?
What year was that?
Probably about 1991. 1991.
Yeah.
And then I have some bad tune I wrote. And I did the show. Came off, and you know, say, you know what? Let me just go and buy my lip and cool, you know. Because, you know, since I was.
$100.
Yeah, I took the $100 and, you know, humble myself. My good Virgin Tanta Mitchell never get to perform because he made sick. Everywhere we go, I'm sick, you know. We don't have stage fright, you know. But everywhere we go, Tanta takes sick, you know. See? And I explained to him. We left and we went to Barbados. When I went to Barbados, when I got to the hotel, I was told that there was no room for me. See? So I said, everybody else have room? Why me not have no room? You know? And I said, boy, you ask too much questions from better day, you know. You know, he's like,
do you ever sleep?
So, said to the man, I said, yo, I went and I see him sister pass on. I love her, see, John, rest in peace. She gave me a credit card, you know, and she always looked at me and she said to me, she said, my brother, hold this. Anywhere you go in the world and you're having problems, don't feel afraid to use it and go your yard. Yeah, man. And I go to this rental agency, me and Tanto Metro, and I tell you I'm a party, you know. See? And we rented 2 little cars, them call them Mokes in Barbados. So I say, yeah, well, I come in and have no room. I go just drive out Barbados for the night, you know, until tomorrow when the show on. Anyway, night catch me, I just recline my Moke seat and sleep. You know? And I did just that. It was 2 shows in Barbados. I did one. And when I was told that I wasn't getting any money, I said I'm not doing the other one. And I went straight to the airport. And I purchased myself a ticket and I came straight to Jamaica. Yeah, man. And the headline was Little Lenny left, shocking vibes, stranded in Barbados. I couldn't care less what the headline was said. Because, as I tell you, them time there, I start realize, you know. And then I start dig deep. Then I joined the Sunsplash camp. Reggae Sunsplash, Sharon Burke, Jerome Hamilton, Ronnie Burke. And the first thing they gave me to do was a show in Holland, you know. When she gave me my deposit, I gave her the bag to her and I said, you gave me the wrong bag. She said, no, your deposit that. And when I looking at the bag a second time, I said, no, I know my money this. See, you pick up the wrong bag. And she laughed, you know. And she said, you're a money man. I'm going to tell you something, Bertrand. I want to come out of my eye because I've never seen that much money before.
And that was deposit.
And that was just a deposit because it was me alone, you know.
Yeah.
For Reggae Sunsplash in Ireland, you know. And when I go up and I get the rest of the money, brother, by them time my mother migrate. And I stop in New York. And I go to my mama watch her. A new money they made, a new life, new everything. See, Mr. See they in a new place. All this. See? And she said, my son, you sure it's safe if you have so much money? And I said, yeah, I said, I'm going to work for it. And it's like, from there, so, when I came home and I was doing Reggae Sunsplash in Jamaica, and she gave me the advance again. It's like my whole life to just start. I don't know, because I couldn't believe it. So what was the difference then and now? And she looked at me and she said, you're so no.
Yeah.
You know? After we do the Sunsplash, I go up her house and thing, and she made some calls. And she made me hear my value and my worth. Man, I decided to, right then and there, I tell myself, I'm going to stop DJ.
Yeah. Because you made that decision there.
You right there. And she said, no, you can't be saying, yeah, man. Done with it.
But why would you stop DJ when you just start make some good money though, Lenny?
Because guess what happened now? I think the better part of me was them time there. That is what I thought.
Yeah.
You understand? Which I was wrong, yeah, because I should have just continued the thing and just capitalize on what I want. But I was so hurt to know that the people when me give me 100. You understand what I say? And think say we are create an empire and we are this and we are that and everybody are alright. And it wasn't so. You know? So I start reminiscing on them time there. I said, John, look on the amount of fly I fly and the amount of show I do. Where the money they're there. See? When I do shows at Jamaica in a brother, $5,000 Jamaican dollar I get, I could have even man take be the biggest money I ever get to do a show at Jamaica is $20,000. See? And that was Reggae Sunsplash 1990. I was given $20,000. I mean, no, if you check Sunsplash books now, see? More money than that was paid for me. See? So it's like it kind of mash up your meds. If you see your work so hard and know so the whole of your hard work just gone down. So I just decide to boy, yeah what. And then from there so things just start turn downhill. Seriously. Woman left you because
money now coming.
yeah, I have two young little boy with her. One was 1, one was 2, and she want to get married. And I said, we can't get married now because the money now make. You know, see it? And you get up one morning and poof, she gone. And left two little boy upon you. You understand me? I said, what me going to do now? I have to just dead there and decide. Them two little boy, they make me the man that I am right now still.
Thing happen for a reason.
Yeah, man. Jah no pave no part for no reason, man.
You ever reflect on the decision the way you make and have any regrets?
No, because I don't regret that. Because, as I tell you, I'm not ungrateful to the music. But, you know, as a businessman right now, I mean, come on.
Right.
Yeah, man, nice, man.
I'll ask you a question, Little. Because I read somewhere where in an interview you said that back then, you know, if you get a Clark shoes and you get a shirt, get a plane ticket and a girl, you're good, and people found that out.
Proper.
So do you think that it was your personality at the time and your lifestyle that kind of influence on more people to take advantage of you?
No, but guess what now? I'm going to come back to now. If you see say somebody go down the wrong path and you supposed to be that person, guardian angel, why would you shove him down the wrong path?
Because of greed.
No, but a wickedness that is cruelty. Because even though I was attending Kingston College and I was brilliant and everything, I was a dunce to music. I did not know music. I didn't know anything about music. I did not know the business of music. So if you know, see, you share the knowledge with I and I.
Yeah.
See to it. Donovan Jermaine did with Buju Banton. See? When Buju Banton started, Buju Banton used to take him taxi and come on my gate, come sit in with me. See? See Buju jump out of Austin, Cambridge, and come and sit down with me. And Buju Banton, Wayne Wonder, Nardo Ranks, Freddie, the whole of it was just, you understand what I say? And I remember, you know, when Buju got his first house, you know, up in Smokyville. I was living in Smokyville, but also wasn't mine. See? And Gamel come to the room and said, boy, DJ, man, I'm buying a house, see me up in Smokyville, you know. I said, yeah. See? But I was trying to measure the thing at the time, because I said, but me and Mel up on the same level. We do the same show. So I mean, why am I not seeing anything? Something is wrong. Something is wrong. And that is why them say me I get too smart and me ask too many questions. Because I want to know where my money there. See? When I went on the Reggae Sunsplash World Tour, them said me are this boss and me are this management because I told them I wanted to collect my own money. See? I wanted the money to come into my hands, brethren, so I can see. I was earning, what I want in the line, $2,200 a week on Reggae Sunsplash World Tour.
That's US.
Yeah. See? Them time they know. Other artists I get big food, 50,000 a week, but you know you have to pay your dues even though you have big tune. Yeah, man.
Got money there before you know.
I'm a maths out the thing, I'm say you want 200 for mama every week.
Yeah.
See? And then at $2,000 going to my little pouch for go home. Even though mama go deal with it, you know, I have to make sure that she alright.
Yeah.
Don't yard there, she eat, you know. When I come off the tour and I come home, registered mail was even still coming to my mother. They tell you the amount of mail will be registered.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, man, and I'm sit down and I say, but things not bad after all when you collect your own thing. You know? But then I start check back when I'm me and man talk about royalties. Royalties, and I say, what is that? You know? Man, I say, you mean sales from your music? And I say, but I never seen none of that yet. And I start inquiring, and all I get a pair, shrug off and kiss teeth and I ask too much question. You understand? So I decided, say, boy, I done Rasta. I done with it, I done. I now go back in a studio. Just take a break for a while. You know? Yeah, man, we just want to be free from everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, no music, no nothing. You know? And then as I tell you, things start take a turn for the worse, because the money never make. So I started go back into the studio. And I record some really, really big songs. Because when I left Shocking Vibes, that is when Moses Davis, aka Dean Davis, get the break. See? Because when I was in Guyana, you know, when I tell you, say, I was the man at the time.
Yes.
He was there. I took him there. See?
You took him
Yeah.
and not Shocking Vibes.
When we say he came with Shocking Vibe, but me and the man we say that youth have to come. See? That youth have to come because he had talent. See? And you can't deny that.
No, lock that for true.
What we are talking about, man? One of the most talented youth never come across in this thing. He have talent like crazy. And he said it to me while I was in Guyana. And I expressed that never left Shocking Vibes. And he said to me, say, yeah man, go on, because I'm going to take over. See? And I laughed because I never saw him in that capacity. You know? I never see him in that capacity there. I thought they were looking at Terror Fabulous at the time, you know? So, when I come and I hear him start doing thing, and I say, wow. But what disturbed me most was he was on an interview. Seeing? And they asked him about entertainers where him get a break. Seeing? And he said, yeah man, I can call name Little Lenny. Tanta Metro, I tell you something man. Fire start come through all my eye when me hear that. And I say, how be the man contribute to my boss in a dancehall? Not even an ounce. How come? And me try to get him, for me and him have a reason up until to the day. The reasoning they don't want yet. So me I say, me still want him explain to me how he managed to give me the break, get Tanta Metro the break, and give Little Kirk the break. You understand? Because me come and Shocking Vibes come say, Little Kirk.
Yeah.
You understand? Me come there, them artists man used to look up to, Tanto and Kirk. See? So how you give them the break and give me the break? That don't make sense.
How are things with you and Beanie Man?
I mean, I don't see him regular, you know, so. But if I see him, I heal him. I don't keep malice with people, but the lie something that I don't work with. You understand? I'm a man, I don't polish up nothing. See him? I tell you as it is. That was a blatant lie. See? And Patrick Roberts can confirm that. Tanta Metro can confirm that. And Little Kirk can confirm that.
I could go back a little before we come forward.
Yeah.
The first recording that you did, Shining Star,
Yeah, man.
Professor
Grizzly. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You gave us how that song was formulated and under what circumstance. Yeah? Give a your part of that song, you know.
It's a, you know, if you treat your lover bad, treat your lover bad. Bad, 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 bad. Don't beat her with no stick. Don't brutalize her with no kick. She is someone to have and to hold. Don't kick her like no ball in no goal. You know, if you treat your lover bad, treat your lover bad. Yeah, man.
Mad. So that was a song, though, that really and truly start open people's ears.
Yes.
How well did that song do?
Oh, very well, man. Very well, very well. And compared to what is happening now, very well.
Very well. So,
Yeah, man.
that song came and it led to a follow-up song, which is probably the song that people identify with Little Lenny with the most.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And you told us the story behind it and thing, but one piece of it.
Well, I'm warning all those girls. No disrespect to women in general. Yes, sir. Walking around with guns, hold it down. Cause this here we no harbor no bomb. Ooh, me yalla she have a gun in a baggy. She, mind she shoot you with it. She have a gun in a baggy. She, mind she shoot you with it. Prom. I wonder you walking spaceship. Prom.
Bad thing. So that is when Little Lenny kicked down the door in our music.
Yeah, man, and that is when Shocking Vibes door opened up.
Yes.
See?
Because you say initially they never liked the song.
Yeah.
But they mash up Gemini.
Oh, yeah, sir, man.
And Patrick ride Breathless come link.
Right, breathless pan him like a bicycle come link me. See, because them time they have bicycle patch you can ride.
Your voice over the song.
Yeah, man, we just go fix it up, nice it up, and it run away.
Yeah.
Do the clean version.
Yes.
That run
with
with
healthy body.
Yeah, and right away them said to me, say, if me not have no more tune. I mean, I say, where I say, man?
Yeah.
They're like, so me I say, but right now, bonfire, me not gonna lie. Me hungry, and me that eat some food. So them say, what you want? I mean, I say, just buy two in the market and thing, and some roll up some flour and thing.
Yeah.
And they got an album today.
Album the day.
Yes, man. Gun in a Baggy album was ready. See?
The day.
One day.
How many
And
tracks?
10 tracks.
One day.
One day. Dave Kelly and I had a song on that album too. Little Lenny come again, come fi take life again. Oh, if you know that one day.
Yeah,
All
man.
of the champion girls, yeah, yeah, man. Lenny there you fi ball out, yeah. Kelly there you fi shout out, yeah, man.
So Dave used to actually record.
Yeah, man, and Dave the DJ, man.
I never know
Yeah,
that.
man, the Road Boy Kelly, man. I him name Road Boy Kelly, you know. Yeah, man. And right, so we had Champion Bubbler before because we recorded Champion Bubbler for Penthouse
Yes.
label before, you know. See? And we had a song named Fa Funky Man. Them time that one. We just put them thing up on the album too.
Yes.
They just play back the rhythm and we just make the album. And Big Man go shop the album. Big Man get money for the album. And Little Lenny don't get nothing from the album. So, not even publishing, nothing. Because I'll look at it as a publishing.
So and you don't own the rights to none of them track there.
Yes, but I and
So
I.
you fixed that since then?
Yeah, man, all of that fixed right now. See? But what me I say, the big amount of the dip on it, them time there. That's why I say me top DJ.
Yeah.
Because the bigger part of the money gone, you can't recover it.
Yeah.
See? Because as I tell you, I pay $2,000 me used to get, you know. Anywhere me go, a $2,000
And
man.
you're 2 grand artist.
Yeah, man, me a $2,000 artist, man. Anywhere me go, and if a local show, a $5,000. The man then make your figure and put it down. So if a man even a pay, hey, man, walk up to me already, you know. Me just bust, you know. And give me, and show me $80,000 in a one briefcase.
8,000?
80. Yeah, 1989. See?
So what?
Veerman production. My memory I work well, my all but me don't call it now. Veerman production came to I and I at Penthouse. And he opened the thing and said to me, say, youth, just give me one tune and take that and go. Come on, tell you, say, me a sting, you know.
One tune?
Yeah, me a sting. Anything when me say gone.
80,000 US
$80,000. The man opened him case and said, yo, see it there. Give me a tune and take it. And I said to him, guess what? Me have bigger things than $80,000 come down the road. So let's keep that. See him? And he took on to himself a little DJ named Little Vicious. See him? I don't know if you ever hear the name there. And then I try to promote that youth. But even the same Veerman took me on a US tour. Right?
Lenny, I tell a man to keep him 80,000 now.
I did. You become loyal to Shocking Vibes. Remember, say Shocking Vibes are going to do great things, you know. It was no one day something, you know. When we say Shocking Vibe, we are talking about now too. See? So it should have been working now. Understand? And we run with the man and the money. Come and say a Shocking Vibe thing there. All right. I'm going to prove to you, say, lie, me I tell. Check all the other record labels out there and see how many record labels have Little Lenny on it. None. None.
Just Shocking Vibes.
Just Shocking Vibes until I started my own label. See? When I left Shocking Vibes, because they used to tell me, say, if you record for too many labels, no record company not going to give you no deal.
I would tell her that.
The man are Shocking Vibes. See? So if me out upon too much, let me tell you, say I was a fool to music. So if me depend too much label, nobody not going to give me no deal. See? I'm say, all right, no problem. The great Sly and Robbie send come for me for them Grammy album.
And you turn on Sly and Robbie?
And Robbie is a man that grow me. Come and tell us, my brother-in-law was a producer and him and Robbie and Sly used to par. See? I'm going to tell them now that Robbie was so upset because Robbie grew me, Robbie called me Rabbit. Come to front teeth and he was so big, you know. So him called me Rabbit.
Yeah.
And him say, Rabbit, come jump on something, we have an album we have to send in for the Grammy thing. And I said, boy, Robbie, you know, I can't do it. And him say, what? Oh, you let them say you can't. So but it caused a little thing. I'm not going to lie, I know Robbie upset. And it causes a little vibe. Because him can't believe, say, this is a youth where him grow. And me I tell him, say, no, I can't record for him. See? But back to the Veerman thing, the brother will offer me the 80,000.
Yeah,
see?
brother.
Him say, all right. I must give him some shows in America if me can. So I say, all right. And him go up and him file him work permit. And let me tell you something, party. I never see $1 for them to show them. Never.
So $80,000 God.
No man, I must say, don't turn down the 80
Yeah,
grand.
I know that, but me I say if you not see the money for them show them they offer you 80,000.
Then the man pay for me, man. The man pay for me, but the money not reach me. The money was paid. When I reach Florida, and I do the last show in Florida, and I say, oh, the sugar go. Man, I say, boy, I check my get it now. I'm come to Jamaica based on the check box. See it? And you know that was a lie. You understand what I said to you, brother? Lie. All of them things that was lies, just lies back of lies. See, everywhere I go, no money. No money. You hear me I tell you? Change. Chump change. Remember say when I go to a store and you start to expensive clothes, you know, and you want to look good, you know, you have to start. You buy all one suit for $700, so when you get that $2,000 there, you know, you buy a suit for 7 bills, or 13 bills left out of that, you know. See? But guess what? I did probably $12,000 pay for you. See? So at no time I have ever seen a contract. I don't know where my worth. I don't know where my value. I don't know where I work for. See? Until I come as Sharon Burke.
Solid.
Solid.
It wasn't solid at the time still.
Yeah, you know.
It was solid from then?
Yeah, man. It was solid same here, man.
I ask you a question, though, Lenny. Come here and listen, you know. And I look at things kind of stick me. What do you used to feed on a Shocking Vibes and not so loyal to Shocking Vibes? Because you're not the first artist out of the Shocking Vibes sale with me. Interview
Drink some
and the
water,
loyalty thing keeps coming up.
Lies. See me? Lies. Look here. Make the music and we will take care of things. I'm going to buy the house, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that. See? Just all you do is just produce the music. Let me tell you something. You know what between the thing? Boss man used to keep some show for himself. See? So if you are my boss and you will keep a show, I never charge you for your show.
That's come down up the thing.
I come a general keep a show. I come match up a general thing. So them used to keep a thing named the Boogeyman train. See? And them used to carry me through the Caribbean. We used to go to Cayman like they will live. The Boogeyman train used to keep like every 3 or 4 months. And we used to go and sing out with belly. See? And we come home back with nothing. You might get 1, 2 or 1, 300 CI, you pack a little box to mama and come home. You see me start get loud now because me I get dark. You understand? Because me I realize the truth after so long. See? After so, brethren, name the country, I tell you, I've been there. Where the money there for sure? Eh? Where the money there for sure? When I come and I name some country, I go people say the line, no, when I name so. When I tell a man, I go a Virgin Garden, I go Tartola, I go, you understand what I say? Man say, we name so, brother. See? Yeah, man, I go some little place where plane carry me land on them, a boat you have to take. Sold out. Sold out crowd. See? When I dip on Reggae Sunsplash World Tour, what them call a man there? Or the mayor brought his family to meet Little Lenny. Because his kids were so excited to know that Little Lenny was in town and they wanted autograph. When I go to the US Embassy to pick up my work permit and I sign autograph for all those councillors like it's nothing, you know. Let me tell you something. Put away Bojo Bantan. See, I don't even know say Vibes Cartel, but coffee is the closest thing I see come to my break. Yeah. And that's why I'm a retard. It's the closest thing I see come. When I hear and I see coffee, she just remind me of me. You understand? Yes, my catalog not big like some artists where say them bust my catalog, you know. Because as I tell you, I never used to record for nobody. See? My things stay Shocking Vibes. See? My things stay Shocking Vibes, brother. You understand? So, when me drop a tune, it a fair pound. We don't play with you, we don't make bubblers. And number one, when we drop a tune, we don't play with tune. See? When we there England, I mean, here Shabba Ranks, because it was neck and neck with me and Shabba Ranks for the contract with Columbia, you know. And me know the reason why it was Shabba over I. And I only hope the person, I love Shabba, you know, my brother, but they couldn't take it two away.
Yeah.
See, but we just make bygones, you know. But as me tell you, when me there England, brother, I mean hear the ranking. Come and say, I am bad, mad, and wicked in a bed. Wicked, bad, and mad in a bed. A lot of the girls, the words, but when Shabba dropped that tune, I mean the dance at England, I go to the general, I said, the general say, yo, I want to go home. And he say, why? I say, I want to read him here. See him? He say, you want to read him have something for it? I say, yeah. See him? He say, sure, let me hear it. Because so him still like him, feel like him know music, you know. Let me hear it. I say, boom, boom, nani, yaffy, kill me dead. Nani, yaffy. I never have the part yet, you know. So I come home and them lick the rhythm. I said, Jesus Christ. You hear the ranking rhythm, the man. See him? And I go up and I call it in the studio. Tony Kelly said, no. This is not Little Lenny with me, you know.
Say,
yeah, he said the tune nice and everything. And he said, catch that flare. It's when you come back with it, just catch a flare. Nani, yaffy. Kill me dead. Nani, yaffy. And I say, hey, yo, this is yo. Say, yo. See him? And the man, Tony have a dance where anytime you see him do that dance then at the studio.
Feel it.
See him? Gone, the tune gone. See him? And the man say, yo, him say, I like that mix here. I like that sound, I like how it sound. Pass that. See him?
Cassette there.
And him just put in that. Mix. Right away, a tune drop. Whoop, tune run away. About a month after, me hear a man jump on it, but boom, boom, mame, no me. And me say, wait, who that? And then me and them mix it for one funny beat what them call reggaeton. See? That Put On the Tegga Reg song was the first reggaeton song. See? So Tony Kelly created the first reggaeton and me said that with no apology. See? And then they did a Shabba Rankin song after it. I don't remember the name of the Shabba Rankin song, but see him mad in a bed, man.
Yes.
See? I think I see him mad in a bed. See, the Spanish man them just start take the dancehall thing now and just clap it. And I run with it, but guess what? Somebody was being paid. It wasn't Little Lenny. It wasn't Tony Kelly. It wasn't Tony Kelly. See? And it wasn't Little Lenny. See? So who? Somebody was being paid.
Who? Would
right.
never miss a one of the...
Right now, as we speak,
yeah.
there is a case in the United States regarding that song, where all of them money they now supposed to come back to I and Tony Kelly. See? Because this company, they make iced tea. Remember what them name?
Using an advertisement.
Yes, they use it in them advertisement and so I paid it for I. You understand? It has been 20 odd years.
So you get back at some way they lose back there.
Yeah man, I'm grateful, you know. Yeah man, I'm Virgin Tony Kelly supposed to sit down nice when everything done.
Yeah.
You understand?
How far along is that case?
I think them sign off, you know. And I just pay them supposed to start.
Oh, so a settlement was agreed and stuff.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, a good thing that man.
See? So
Good thing that.
and you know, right now me I think about doing back some work, you know, and Tony Kelly ready to.
Oh, Tony Kelly ready. Alright.
But tell you say the general.
Yeah.
The general, but tell you say, we don't think we can eat.
Without Tony.
Yeah, we don't think it can work. That chemistry they're wicked.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, you know, you make couple tune well after that, but nobody just never knows me, you know. Because when things go down for me, you know.
Yeah.
All I wanted was just to make a hit song, make back a hit song, and then Beanie Man was on top, you know. Beanie Man run the place, and I said to him, say, yo, I said, Jenna, things bad with me, you know. See? Me want a strength. Give me a strength. See?
In terms of a collaboration.
Yeah. See? And I come up with a song. I don't know if you know the song. See? But I come up with it. I don't want to collab me and ever do. So you must know there's something wrong. If me there are shocking vibes along, and you there are shocking vibes and no collaboration between me and you. See, something wrong. And the only collab that ever come up and is when I was down. See? And me a search. I come up with a tune. It was supposed to be me, Beanie Man, Yellow Man, and Tanta Metro. Because I pencil out everything, you know. When I called Yellow Man was willing and ready to come hail the king. One king. King Yellow Man. See? Yellow Man was ready, willing and ready. See? I made it for go for him. And I don't know what happened, I never make it. And I go up the yard there for check the virgin, for come do the tune, for come do the 8 bars for I and I. So I can survive. See? Because me youth them, be the dead and me youth them and come and no money, no nothing. See? And the big man come out and say, come out with a girl and I'm stretched. I say, yo, drop the girl along the road for me and come back. By the time I come back, I'm ready. When I came back, big man gone. And I said, John, know them style in there? See? I said, all right, I sit down and I see, you ever hear about Aunt Sita?
No.
Oh, yes, man. You know the song I say, don't go Craig Town, Mama Sita grow me.
Yes, we know that.
All right.
Oh,
Patrick
so
mother.
that is the name. Oh.
See that lady there? A no nonsense lady.
Yeah.
And when I went back the next morning, I went there 6 o'clock in the morning and she got knock up the door, boom, 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 boom. I said, hey, get up and come, do the tune for the youth. Remember the youth, him used to carry on with him. See? And now the youth want help and not help the youth. See? If you don't do the tune for the youth, don't come back in here. You can't come back in here. I go down to Sonic Sounds and I sit down on the ledge and I said, boy, my only hope crush, you know. Over I'm looking see him driving. I said, what with him? Put on the rhythm and him do him thing. Song turned out to be a big tune all over the world. But you know, even though the tune big, people need to still see you. Seeing?
Video.
We made the video. We did make the video, but people need to see up on stage. So the song was say, Devon to sing upon the song, man. Good times. These
We are
are
family.
the good times. No man, good times it name.
Good times.
Boom, boom, doom, 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 doom. And I must say, I am the man for the ladies, yeah, yeah. The girls are my babies, yeah, yeah. See, runway, big tune. So I said, wow, Lenny back on the map again. You have a place down there named Countryside Club, a show used to keep. So it was a new Shocking Vibes now in concert, which I wasn't a part of. See? But I did want, you know, people them see me. I perform the tune, because the tune big out there. And I went to the artist and I said to the artist, look here, when you go on, I beg you a call on. See? Just to refresh the people in mind, you know, make them know say me there on the tune and thing. And man, I stand up side stage and I wave like a groupie. I stood side stage and I waved like a groupie, man. And big man never even look at me. See me? And I'll tell you so them
When
time.
you write a song?
Yeah, my tune, man. Me produce it, everything. Me produce it. Because them time I still make big tune, you know. Because you have a youth named Gary Jackson, him drop out now. Him soul rest in peace. Good youth. When Shocking Vibes, I put out back the rhythm them. Him used to come wake me up a morning time. I said to him, say, yo, come jump on the rhythm, brother. When them put out Urkel, you know the Urkel rhythm?
Yeah, man.
Y'all tear off me garment. Me jump on it to that tune and say, from your body good, flaunt it. Man out the road want it.
Plant
If I was a ghost, tell God I would haunt it. Big tune. When them put out the Buster rhyme, I jump on it to that tune and say, the freaks comes out at night. The freaks comes out at night. Them time there, me I show you my versatility in that tune there. Me I sing, me I rap, and me a DJ. See, come here and say, many girls want to know me, show me, blow me. I Tony Kelly teach me them thing there. See? I mean, I go on, me a DJ, a tune go on good. Me I tell you, but I just never perform a tune them because you needed a camp to come out at that time.
Yeah, because the camp settings them.
Yeah, you couldn't just run up on a man stage or, you know, nobody in a book, no individual them time. It was either Penthouse, Shocking Vibes, Madhouse. You have to, you have to come on that camp. And I wanted to do it so badly, you know, that's when I checked the Virgin. Virgin was the leader of the camp, you know. Virgin said, no. I remember clearly one night, Tony Kelly make a rhythm named Oysters and Conch. Send the Margulas, them come, send the champion, them come. Let them know till the
The
morning.
doctor now got done. We can send it better run and a time to give it
And some man said them a sip saddle.
Yeah, man.
See?
But I turn you upon it.
Yeah, man, I'm sit down in the store, you know. Sit down on one stool. I see everything right now, you know. Sit down on the stool tonight and Tony Kelly say, General, Lenny the back of shocking vibes. Man said, no. Man said, I have a tune for him. Man said, no, the rhythm is a family rhythm. Rhythm close. From the time Lenny has suffer. Them time there. You will have to cut. Yeah, man. So we did there and I said, boy, man, say him have the rhythm and I have a tune for my panic. I see Tony Kelly, when he make a rhythm, he write all the songs. See him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great you, talented. Him Dave too.
Dave.
And General said, no, a family rhythm. I cry. Come big man, turn up and ball. Cause we remember the woman run left me with the two people they have here. You see it and anyway, we go around that. Another time again, another virgin of mine who was in the camp at the time told me that they were locked in a meeting. And them time the Frisco kid left the crew.
Yeah.
And they wanted somebody else to fit in back for Frisco. And somebody said,
Link back Lenny.
Lenny. And it's like every time that name call, the big old no just come up. See? Remember?
The same person lead the no chorus.
Yeah, man. It was like a chorus, my brother. No. See? Remember me down on my face as me tell you. Me a drive a cut down Constant Spring when I'm a gaslight stand up and me and ask me how they do. And I see the general. And I say, oh, I'm general. And the man said, right, me say them a dash you out of your place, man. No, how could that be a joy for you to know that I, man, created something like that? And me fall. And you can't stretch the olive branch and say, step across you. Eh? But them say, at the end of every tunnel there is a light. So I started linking with some youths, you know, where they wanted to know about music when me have no interest in music. Them in a funeral thing and dead people thing.
Yeah.
And we made a deal. Them say, me teach you about dead, you teach me about music. See? So they are the settings just like this. They wanted to interview artists they want. So I start to introduce them to some artists. So I sort of introduce me to them now. So one day them down there, them a work, man, them a work. I embalm one day and they said to me, say, yo, all I do is film. I just run go for something out there, so I come back. And the man locked me up in there with the dead man, you know, brother. Let me tell you something, Virgin. You ever hear big man scream? Eh? I say, a ball. Yeah, man, and I grab a hold of myself. And I say, about this man and now move. I kill up myself and this man and not look for me.
Yeah.
And so I calm down and I walk back the door and say, see it, you have to go through this. You have to know, say, if you're in a them failure, you have to lock up in a place with them thing alone. And we just start going there every day. And until get into it and life start turn around for me, you know. I said, Jaja, what is? I saw some artists start laugh off me and I said, big artists gone dealing a thing and I run all French and way. And I say, yo, I eat up put the food on the table, you know, brother. See? And when I look, man, I tell you, I start see all different light at the end of the tunnel, man. All different kind of light. When I look, most of them for buy a house. Because the same youth, the woman run left me, she come back and take them, you know. And carry me go to the court, you know. And the judge never asked me no question, you know, brother. The judge just say every picnic belong to their mother. See? So the judge just say, yo, you start play so and so, you know. But determined and say, I'm not paying no money, come pick them live with me. See? I was surprised. But the day I work and I see a man come with a duffel bag. I say, brother, take a picnic of yours, because the girl run and left them again, you know. See? And I say with great pleasure, man. And at the time, I never ready to buy back no house yet, you know.
Yeah.
But when they bring the youth, them come give me now, I have to go do a thing.
Yeah.
And I see it. So where I do now, I send them away for the summer. And them time them good, you know. Nice, you know.
All right. Again.
Proper, man. When you see me a roll, that's when certain people see me a roll, them have to turn them head so. See? Because at them people, why me acquire certain things right now? Because certain things, sure, Jano, my motivation them, you know. And we start purchase some things where we never did feel purchase, but we just want to show people, say, hey, see there, with Jah, all things is possible.
Yeah.
A Simon comes, boom, and purchase all ride one time and park it, you know. When I park it at the place, man, come out and say, oh, who drive this? Plastic up on the seat. Same way, I just come out and I just spin my key on my finger. See? Yeah, man, the big European sitting just stand up in front of them, so. See? Yeah, man, I'm say, I'm my own, man. Yeah, man, I just jump in it and turn my key and move it. I said, yo, man, I said, where you get that? See?
Feelings has risen from the ashes, brother.
Oh, Lord, man. Trust me, that's... When I start my thing, you know, I had the kids, seeing, some used to have work, and them in the car asleep. I take turns, me and my virgin take turns, I would look upon them. Me they at work and him out there sit down with them. Me take a break and go out there sit down with them.
Real virgin.
Yeah, man, I'm a real virgin, man. Seeing? And that's what the thing kick off, brother. That's... Me never come out of the line of vehicle yet. From them time there. I don't know. Never come.
See him something sit downstairs, eh?
Nah, man. Nah, man. When you sit downstairs, I'm a daughter, I'm buy that, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm a daughter, I'm buy that, man.
Yeah?
Through me dip on the works, you know, she swap vehicle with me.
Yeah.
And say, Daddy, go do what you do, and make me go do what you do. You know, see it. And yeah, nothing too good for me give them, you know. Yeah, man, because my kids, they make me strong. Them, you know, she's at university right now. So I bought her that Jeep because of how she was performing, you know. And no, feel away, man, me reward myself, man.
Yeah.
Me reward myself. But I'm tell you, say, we is not some set of youth a boss. So that's why I don't even never talk about it. But it's something from out of Europe there.
Yeah, but that's how everything. So like we're speaking about kids here though, how many?
Enough, you know. Plenty.
I don't know no number name enough, brother.
About 7.
Oh, 7? Okay. That balance compared to somebody. Me interview an artist yesterday, man, at 25 years old.
No, we can't. And everybody had do good.
Yeah, everybody had do good.
Yeah,
That's
man.
important.
Everybody had do good, you know. See, before the interview started, one of them called me, and that one is a US Marine.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice
man.
one, nice,
You know.
nice.
The other one, I wanted him to become a police in the NYPD. But he's afraid of guns. He don't want to have anything to do with guns, you know.
Yeah.
So he said he want to be a UPS delivery man.
Yeah.
So he never get the UPS job, but the USPS call him.
Yeah.
So he might work with the post office. He have him own postal truck and everything. And
Okay.
him out there. You know.
Ever been married?
Yes, man.
Still?
Exactly.
All life treating on that side there.
Do have a problem. I think,
Do have a problem.
I think that is one of the blessings we may have in our life.
Yeah.
You know? One of the blessings that.
You see, interview kind of here, there, everywhere. So I could just start the business that help you to pull back yourself together. What's the name of the business?
It's RAV5 Graphics.
RAV5 Graphics.
Yeah, man.
And where people find it?
Princeville Plaza, shop number 25.
Say hello to people here, man.
Yeah, man, shop number 25,
Princeville Plaza. Yeah, man.
But you know, we have other businesses because
Yes.
we make caskets and all of them things. So all of them fancy caskets where you see. And as I tell you, I'm a man, I give back. But as I tell you, I like blow my own whistle, you know. But a lot of people can tell you. I have helped a lot of entertainers, you know.
That's good.
In many ways, in many forms. You know, I won't say how, but come just like keep the thing on a
Yeah,
level.
man. Makes sense. Makes sense. So
You
we
know.
talk about some music thing again. You know what I think?
Yeah, man.
You mentioned a number of places that you have performed. You said Canada was your yard one time, Cayman was your yard,
Yeah, man.
the Caribbean, all both the place. You went to Allen at one point in time for Reggae Sunsplash tour. I think you said that and stuff. Where's the biggest stage you ever walk on, man, in terms of the crowd where you look upon you?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah. That was when the Punani take a Reg Soul goal and the Spanish brother break it over. And then the people learned that I was the original artist. And it was Reggae Sunsplash in Mexico. Man, I was nervous.
Crowd big.
I think them said it was like something like 80,000 people. Seeing? And when I see the crowd, I get cold feet, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
You pull off a tantometer.
you get nervous, brethren. Now tell them I not lie. Yeah, man, nervousness catch me in Mexico, brother. When I look at the people out there, I see the crowd. I say, yo, but nah, go out there. See? And I don't know if you know Trevor Roper.
No, not familiar.
Him was the lead singer for Chalice.
I know about Chalice still, but...
Yeah, man, Trevor Roper was the lead singer for Chalice. And him come to me and him say, yo, I'm gonna tell you something. These people came to see you.
Yeah.
See? So you see whatever you do, huh? Him say you can flap yourself right now. Him say go out there and command your crowd, man. See? Go out there and command your crowd. Leroy Sibbles told me the same thing.
Leroy was on the show as well?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
He a big star upon the show, Al Mota Baroka, man. And Mota is a man, when we see Mota, he was afraid for DJ. Yo.
Why do?
Because true them always say my thing, the raggedy.
Yeah.
You know, the man there come like Jesus, like a brother.
Yeah.
The man they clean. So me I say when the man they come, the man they talk some things where, so me I say.
Yeah.
So when me see them man, I get nervous, Rasta, me can't, you understand? I don't want to go out there. Because Muta Baruka go see me. And Muta go attack me when I come backstage. And me don't want that. You know, see it? Me don't want that, brother.
Yeah.
But I went out there and I took the show. You know, had them eating out of my hands, boy. Trust me.
Good memory.
I mean, I tell you, say, right, so the robin turn up again, you know. Because when the butter for run, you know, I mean, I saw the butter go. Man, them give me 4 million peso.
That's not really the value I had, brother.
Wait, no. I get the bag, the 4 million peso. That was deliberately done, though, you know.
Trick you.
Yeah, that was deliberately done. So I say, 4 million peso. I say, yo, when you go to Jamaica, you know, you can change that out and thing. And I say, what, me have $4 million? Because me just look on it, I say, when I go to Jamaica, I'm going to get $4 million. When I reach a Florida, I change it. How much money I tell you, say, I just get when I do show?
$2,000.
$2,000 I get. So.
But they work you out for you, brother.
$2,000. I mean, no say, Sunsplash never pay pesos.
Yeah.
I know them never pay peso. See? So why me get paid a peso?
Special.
Fool people take me from home. See? And I come home, I mean, you know, me take me $2,000 and do what I have to do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But as I tell you, say, in the later stage, I start understand the thing. But it's only a pity I never continue. But in order to
Only
continue, more that it needs certain people in my camp and the thing gets split up. Everybody's gone them separate way because of the same dishonesty thing. You understand? No money now run. And as a juvenile, you want to buy, you see people that drive out the road, you want to buy a nice little car. You know what I mean? You want something to move around in a car, you work. And my car is older than me. Much older than me. I little Kirk have similar vehicle. One 1970, I think it was 1970 Mazda. Well, you know, them time they soup up vehicle and you put on rim and you will make the most of it still. But when I come through, if you have mosquito problem, You know?
Everything
Yeah,
good.
you don't have to worry. Mosquito, it's like how you see them a fog the place.
Yeah.
When by car I come through, but I bear smoke. See, and I mean, if you're mad, we are around the place.
Yeah.
When me look, I mean, see, the man him a drive some pretty under card and some pretty thing, and he just leave one to wonder, you know. I just said, John, when I start learn about publishing and I start check, a pair double claim I come up. A pair double claim. My publishing was claimed for already. How? And I didn't get it. How? You know? I don't know. It's just strange.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Yard.
Why?
Because I just saw the thing born and the people them love it more than anywhere else. You know, remember one time, I still consider it, I remember one time we were in New York, you know, and a certain artist, there was like competition between me and that artist, you know. And I man said to him, yo, switch places with me. See? This is New York City. Don't go on after me. Go on before me. Ooh, tough up him chest. I said, all right, boss. And I go on. So one go on, brother. I go up on the stage and I say, calling, all stamina worker, female custom broker. Cause you know that intro there?
Yes, sir.
It took me about 10 minutes before I could get the crowd to calm down. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, and the people in my chant, Little Lenny. And I come off of the stage, and that individual went on. He did 2 songs and exited the stage. Yeah. And I said, brother, I tell you, I say, once you touch anywhere where whole heap of Jamaican there, just make me go after you. Don't put me before you. You understand? Because
man, but I think I really don't in thing, Lenny, man.
No, man, you have to give what is due unto Caesar to Caesar, brother. True. Explain to you, say, my ground is, see? So, let me just deal with my ground.
Yeah.
You know what I mean there? No.
Lenny, the catalog though, when you go through the catalog still, you realize there's a lot of raunchy songs, a lot of, sexually explicit songs.
Yeah.
Why is that the general theme in a Little Lenny music?
As a youth growing up, females are just my thing, brother. That's my thing, you know?
Yeah.
From me look upon the girl, I said, you can write a song about her, especially. Because Bum Flick was actually written off of a young lady.
It's an experience that.
It wasn't really an experience, but she was just talking and telling me how she was Bum Flick and how she was this and how she was that. And Tony Kelly was right there.
Yeah.
And I tell you, say, me and Tony, we roll together. And as we tell you, Tony is just a clown, him just start DJ. Everything Tony hear, him take it and turn it in a music.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Everything, him just start DJ and do him like a funny dance. And I say, yo, he must say, yo, a tune that comes, studio.
Yeah.
And we dump the thing on the thing. And we just record it. And him have a style. Anytime you hear him say pass the dot.
Ready.
Yeah, man. Him don't know what a mixing thing in him. Him doing balance. And him have keen hearing, you know. Him listen to the thing and him say, yeah, everything balance, everything nice. I like that sound there. Pass the dot. Number 1 tune.
Sanitize the Boom Flick and go with peace, no?
Alright. calling, all stamina worker, female custom broker, bed walker, art taker, tantalizing wire. Send all of them because them are Little Lenny and friend. I tell them, say, Bum Flick and no sleep, young y'all just broke out, yeah. Awayai. I hear plumb me want pick you on the bass one day about ya. Awayai. She just a Bum Flick and no sleep, young y'all just broke out, yeah. Awayai. I hear plumb me want pick you on the bass one day about ya. Watch this. Yeah, the young girl a ball. She never know us so Little Lenny tall.
But so that was the story behind Boom Flick, but you did a clean version
Yeah, because
called All fruits,
All
right?
fruits, right. Love to see the flex when the girls them flexing. Tights and tight shots and some tempting dressing. Want a girl who can do the muggling. Yeah, man. And, you know, them songs, there are some really, really big songs. Trust me. And, you know, come to think of it, you know, I run through my head a while ago. The general and him saying, boss me. If you go back to that rhythm, and you listen to the song that he has on that rhythm, it wasn't even a song that anybody know.
Yeah.
It was a song where I say, hey, let me watch you.
Yeah.
Hey. Written by Tony Kelly also.
Well, I know that tune is still
Well, it wasn't
as big as.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
See?
Yeah.
It was a bubbler.
It was a bubbler.
Yeah.
Speaking about bubbler, champion bubbler.
Yeah, man, written by myself and Dave Kelly.
The and Dave right that again.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
See? Big tune.
One piece, man. I come to get some picture there.
There we go. Phenomenal one. Champion girls, you are done. I went to a session last night feeling joyful and merry. Who was dancing with this big mumpy girl when she turned and she said to me, she said, Lenny, I'm the champion bubbler. Me roll the area, no one can whine like me. She said, Flower gonna come with the 1 foot skank, but I me roll up the wine with. Then she ball out, Ninja man a come with the pedal and wheel. Flower can't even say that to Fed up. Some big tune, some big tune. You know, a lady confront me one day and said, boy.
Who confront you?
A lady. When that song came out and she said, you little dirty mouth boy. Eh? That's the best song you ever do. That was done by Tough Gang. And she said, see there? I'm buying 3 boxes from a record shop.
Yeah.
You see all them other one? Eh? I'm not buying them because I'm too dirty. You need to make more songs like these.
Yeah.
But I will tell you, those things were the first thing
Yeah,
that
come
came,
to your mind.
you know?
But there are some songs though anyway the family can listen to, like Teach Reality.
Yeah.
What was the
man.
message? What was the story behind that song? What's the story behind that song?
Actually, as I tell you, so that song was when I say Teach Reality, you know, I'm going in a bag me a talk about, you know. Because through me I get fight on it and I say, a reality me attack. Me not attack nothing wrong. You understand what I say? So that song came off of that because me get a whole heap of bashing feet.
Interesting.
See? Yeah man, but as I tell you, I make a whole heap of clean songs, man. Especially my last album. Was a very good. It was done for...
We were having a discussion earlier and we said, because you're so well known for a particular type of song, when you do clean songs, people even interested in it.
I will tell you, say, it's just that I was not given the opportunity for the world to see me back again. Because I tell you, say, I start charge some wicked fire in the last half day again, you know. Because when the clash was going on between Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, you know, me and knocked some wicked tune on the rhythm, you know. Because when him come with all the song about some DJ must get man program wrong, never tune on it, you know. Me not know if you know that tune, but I tell you, say, I go some places and hear people are ball for them tune there.
What song was that?
One song was say, I am alone, Coxman riding the friend. So people hear that song like that, they say, if you listen to that song, the man I hear them call up the rhythm, man. The rhythm call up wicked, man.
Yeah.
See? And some people see me and I say, yo, that tune there bad, you know. Yeah, man. That's
But the Clash would overshadow that tune necessarily, because you know what Clash was.
Yeah, the Clash did overshadow that song there, but you get the fair play.
Yeah,
the
man,
fair
that's
share
good.
of play and thing and fair share of recognition. You know.
Little Lenny, I ask you a question now. You have a lot of songs. You say your catalog not really as big as some, man.
Right.
But you still put in the work and still have a sizable collection of songs.
Yes,
We're
because...
not talking about song, we're talking about each song.
Each song. We don't make bubblers, man. We don't make bubblers. Can I tell you, say, Supercat was one of my idol, you know. If you notice Supercat songs, them solid.
Yes.
But him don't have a lot of songs.
Sure.
See? Because when I saw Supercat doing his thing, see, big up Peter Metro still, you know, because Peter Metro was the first man when I started DJ like.
Yes.
And then after that it was Ninja Man. See? And then I started looking at Supercat and I say, in order to preserve myself, why not do it like the cat? You know? Cat come and him drop 2 tunes and him gone again for the year. 2 tunes and him done with you. And them 2 tunes they run for the year. Him drop 1 for the first 6 months. And the next 6 months him drop another. So that me did that follow. You understand? I remember one time Shocking Vibes dropped 3 Little Lenny. They put on the Teggy Reg, Fragile Body, and him drop one named Uncle Meat.
Uncle Meat.
Yeah, and the man, the distributor say, hey, look here man, pull up back one of them, they nah drop 3 tune, nah drop 3 Little Lenny. No, hell no. See? Them say, we are scrap one of them. And they have to pull up back, I think it's Uncle Meat.
Uncle Meat, yeah, because out of them 3 they still, Uncle Meat is probably the least recognizable one.
And them release it at a later date. But it still was a big song.
Man, a big song, see, we don't visit this one.
Yeah, man. Big tune, see, man.
Of all the songs that you have written, you see, which are the songs are your favorite song?
Wow. Lone Cox, man.
Lone Cox, man.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, there's just something about that song. You know, I don't know. I don't think I could have ever do it the way it was done again.
Yeah.
It was just perfect. You know, I like the lyrics, I love the lyrics. It's just different, you know.
Give a piece of a perfect song, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, watch it make DJ step. Lone Coxman riding west. I am a lone Coxman riding the flesh. She foot over my shoulder, my chest. Gifted and black and them know me, God bless. Come about the land just like Mount Everest. I am a lone Coxman riding the flesh. She foot over my shoulder. Gifted and black. Only sex game this a Coxman play. Run where y'all faggot and run where y'all gay. Have bedroom party we keep every day. Oh man, turn around and back and make me slap the same way.
We're going to do a whole heap of anything in that. Alright, so that's your favorite song.
Yeah, I love it, man. Love it. You know, trust me. After that, I started, start venture out, you know, I try for record for some other producer, but you know what happened? You know, the producer them start say, oh, where did I take them a record for me? When we send come card, the King Jammies himself sent for me. And I never
got to?
No.
To Jammies?
Yeah. Pompidou came to my house, the man, and I said, yo, you know Pompidou, yeah? So the King sent me for come record. See? Skeng wanted me to record. See?
You tell Skeng no.
And I just never, I mean, people came to me and said, boy, man, they say if you come do some tune. I'm understand. When me start step out, it was too late. Everybody was up in them feelings already, and I said, oh, when a bit at him never record for me, and those things can cripple an artist.
Yeah, man.
See? Spread the thing, brother.
Yeah, makes
See?
sense.
Yeah, man. Go do one tune on a Jammies. Go do one tune for Bobby Digital. Go, you understand what I say? Go do 2 tune up a Penthouse. See? Well, even though I did record for Penthouse, but not after Shocking.
Yes.
But, you know, I think that was one of the crippling things.
That made a lot of sense.
Yeah, man, and that was greed.
Yes.
Because you have the gold mine and you say to yourself, yo, I'm me alone a mine that go there, you know. See? No, man, spread the thing. I think. Afterwards, I realized, come here, I say, oh, Beanie Man, I've tuned around this one, tuned out this one. Nobody not say nothing to him. So why am me alone all the focus depend for don't record for nobody. Don't do this, don't do that. See? No, Rasta, but when I step away, it was a little bit too late.
Yeah.
You know?
What is your biggest achievement as an entertainer?
Being on the David Letterman show. That was a major thing for me. You know, because them time there, only Bob Marley and Jimmy Cliff and certain artists used to depend on them kind of show. You know? The Marleys.
Top job, high level.
Yeah, man, higher level. So when a man like me get the break, and that break came through Dennis Brown.
Great D-Brown.
Yeah, man, I love that man, they like my own father, man. A man, they pure like. A man, they don't have no bad bone in him. Now I tell you, General Dennis Brown, have no, you know, maybe backtrack a little bit. When I was on the Reggae Sunsplash World Tour, I was the biggest thing in Jamaica, seeing, with the biggest songs and everything, but even though I was recognized overseas, I was the opening act. You can imagine? You have the biggest man out of, biggest actor out of Jamaica opening.
Yeah.
So, I tell you, say, boy, my experience, trust me. When I go to a book and I do the reggae Sunsplash thing, Dennis Brown say, wow, see this little youth here, you know? I say, wow, I know this little youth who named Little Lenny. Because me and him did on the same tour and I don't even know him, you know? So I came in from Japan. I think it was myself and Maxi Priest and Carlene Davis, Andrew Tash, 4 of us went to do the Sunsplash in Japan. So we meet up with Dennis Brown and Shined in Hawaii, in the US. So when it was time for me to go on stage, I look side stage and I look, see Dennis, and I catch cold feet, you know, come here and say, Jesus Christ, big star, how come watch me, you know. I just flap, you know. I go out there, and I do my thing. I come off stage and call him and say, come here, fireball. I fireball him, call him and say, come here, fireball. And I say, yo, the eye warm, Rasta, the eye warm. But guess what? When the eye go out there, the place never full up. So here what I going to ask the eye for do. I want the eye come back on when I perform and do a tune with eye. See? When the place ram up, and I could see the reaction of the crowd. Then I say, wow, Dennis Brown, I invite me on stage. I'm telling me and Tony just write a tune for the same album I tell you about. Come and tell you, we just a make tune.
Going a baggy album?
No, man. When I tell you, say, Sony, it's Columbia Records.
Okay, yeah,
we just a write tune. So we did have this song named Warning. A clean song. Fortunately, that one was clean. You know? So Dennis Brown, I will show you life funny, you know. Dennis Brown and Maxi Priest had a song named Like a Fever. But Shabba Ranks was on it, you know. And so Dennis I said, Fire, you think you can DJ something for it? So right away I remember the song there. So at night now Dennis said, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome back to the stage my brother, your brother. Let us put your hands together for Little Lenny. I'm going to go on and the man I sing the song Like a Fever. I'm just go on and jump on. I say, warning, warning, there is a fire. Come girl, come with the water. So reggae music is hot, it's about to explode, man. You ever see people jump? So the band never come to a decision. I say, boy, all the lyrics and the boy are part of the tune, but it never materialized. But I'm going to tell you something. You see that Dennis Brown something there? It give me the David Letterman break. Because you see after I mash up that thing there, and them said they wanted Sunsplash crew to come and do the Bob Marley celebration thing. Them said, no, we want Little Youth. We want Little Youth. He must have a day. And he must carry this team, he must have a day. And them come and knock up my dressing room and say, boy, things are going to fail, you know. So I say, what? I say, come here, go to New York, because we're in Atlanta. Them say, you're going to do the David Letterman show and then come back, come perform in Atlanta for Reggae Sunsplash. So I say, yeah. Oh, me I go do that. I'm saying, I shall drive that, man. Just go mash up the David Letterman thing. I'm going to do it, man. I'm going to tell you something. Trust me. It was a big, big thing for reggae music and Little Lenny.
Yeah.
And from there, so me and Dennis Brown developed a relationship the way. Trust me. You know, we started go up on several shows and it's like the respect just grow for me and him until me and him record a tune. It named Running Around, Tony Kelly again. You know, him Running Around. I don't know if you know it. I think it's on a remix of the Kochi. I say, girl, you knew that I want you, but I had to change my mind. It never, I don't think that song really even released.
Well, you're a part of that song.
I say, girl, we don't want you, man, I mash up your bumper, man, I pass you like driving cinema. Running your body just like a market. Man, I come be do for parking night.
So, you know, probably with that one, so if
yeah, man, his name Running Around.
Running Around.
Yeah, so Dennis Brown is like a father to I and I. When you know, one morning, the home, you know, and my phone ring, and a Dennis, you know, and I'm say, Fireball, where there? I'm saying, no, some of the home. And I'm say, what happened? Me not supposed to put an album together, Fireball. And I say, yeah, man, you must come check me, no, man, because I feel like I want to sing two tunes. Yeah, man, because I have an album with Dennis Brown, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, where 90% of the track them, I think about 2 or 3 of the tracks them release. See? Yeah, man, me have that.
Are you have rights to that?
Yeah, man.
But you're not sitting pretty there,
Because
Lenny,
me
man.
and my brother-in-law, Clive Jarrett, because as I tell you, say, he was a producer too.
Yes.
Me and him we team up and did I put the album together. You know? Yeah, man, right now I have some Gregory where nobody never hear yet.
So you never hear them things, eh?
Me I go start them out.
Time
Man.
is right.
Yeah, man, I go start them out. Because Gregory started the album for me. Gregory, I'm a virgin to you.
Yeah?
Let me tell you something, man. Them youth here, them artists nowadays, them missing out on the thing, you know? They have to gel with the older artists, them to enjoy the music business to its fullest. You understand what I say? You have to link with the older man them to get the thing from back then. You know, just jump up and record in your bathroom and to play upon the radio. That's nothing, man. You see, we are talking about entering the ring from dancehall, Metro Media days. When you stand up and you say Big Belly Sky Juice and jiggle up and you want to touch the mic and you're afraid because I appear big star. You have to look at you ask Sky Juice for your mic. You crazy? Nah, man. You ain't gonna go ask Sky Juice. But guess what? We are come under some link where when the man there, when the man they send go tell Sky Juice, yo, get the DJ the mic.
No question.
Yeah, you have to get the mic. And I can't say out the link, but
Everything good, man. Everything good.
when you're there dance and the man they say, hey, give me artist. Especially when Shining Star was out.
Yes.
And the man say, yo, I want to hear the artist. Grizzly, Lenny, give them the mic. Yeah, man, and Rory introduce me and say, but we have 2 new youth to know.
From Stone Love?
Yeah, man. We have 2 new youth to know. And see them here, come do the thing live. I will do it and mash up the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Remember when Struggle Wicked, you know? The Struggle Wicked. Remember when Gilbert.
88.
Yeah, I go blow. And we have Shining Star out. I will go to the dance tonight, hungry and kill we. See? I will go check the promoter. And I'm share out a plate of curry goat. And give it 2 cups. And give it a buckle of thing. I say, yo, I'm going to go share that. Me? Well, it wasn't big man at the time, we had 2 youth. I was about 50. I said, yo, the 2 of them go and go share that. See? We go on a session one time at Chapelton. I have school, man. That's where I go. No, I never have school. It was a weekend. But you see my mother, she never really too into what me I do, you know.
Yeah.
She more in the book thing. See? And she have more pressure to study the book. So I never want she know say me leave and gone away. You know the way they call me know say I'm mapstick that. See? Yeah, man. Me know say me have to run from the mapstick car.
Yeah.
See? So we go to Chapelton one night and Major Mackwell was a big star on the show tonight. And dance done. Box a pack up. Because we are box boy too, you know. Box a pack up. So I said to the man, I said, brother, I want to go home in the car. Day I go light and my mother I go find out say me in the house. And you know the man look at me and say, me have to wait for the truck. We have to carry out the sound before me come up. Man, I tell you say I fret. Because you know so the sound now go up till the evening. See, so my mother must have miss me now. And them time they don't have cell phone. See, I'm a brother. I said to my mother, I say, yo, him good man, I'm me and him, and way, and I saw me get little ease up. Yes, man, hey, we struggle real. We used to walk from Dunkirk, come at Eastwood Park Road, come check King Bieber. Because them time the man look special for them sound, them have artists line up on an audition. See, them time they're $100 for special. See, and me come, and me get 2 bills. I mean, I'll give my mother, man. I almost get a beating because she want to know when he get $200 from. You know, see it? She want if people things me go trouble and me wasn't them kind of youth there. I mean, explain to her, I say, DJ, I go DJ feet. See, now she say, you sure? Because even though we did that so far, she never want to take the...
I know them way there.
She never want to take the money, you know. She just never into it like that. She have to know where the money come from.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, man, because I tell you, say, a real lady and she struggle with me. You know, because all Christmas and them things, I don't celebrate them things, you know. I mean, because I don't know.
A religious thing.
No, I'm on born Christmas because I see but it do to a lot of families. In particular, my family. See, because I remember one Christmas, my mother have her rent money. But she wanted her picking them look good for the Christmas. Sometimes there's something named travel facts a bit.
Oh, travel facts, man.
And she wanted to see her picking them in a travel facts. And my mother take the rent money and go buy travel facts for me. And cook big food. Oh God, and everything I wear, the landlord come for him rent. Mama have to duck him. You don't see it and the landlord going real bad. I'm sitting down and take it into consideration and I say, oh, this is because of Christmas. My mother face them embarrassment there. You know what I mean? Landlord have cost him rent. And I look at my foot and I see the travel facts and I said, John, that's when my boss brother, I have travel facts in a numbers. Just as I tell you, all the stuff that I wanted.
So I acquire them.
Could not afford. I just start buy them, you know? Bicycle, everything. There's a in the genesis of the thing too, you know. You have a youth named Little Harry, but I have to bless up, you know. You know Little Harry? Yeah, man, Little Harry, man, big DJ, man. Big DJ, man.
That young little youth, Little Lenny.
You see, that's why I say the thing is like a university.
I learned it, man. Yeah, sir.
Them youth, need to go way back. You know him songs telling about you might not know him name. Him do the song name Anorexia Body.
Oh, yeah, I know how
Naturality.
Body, man.
Him one of the first.
Oh, Little Harry.
Yeah, youth where pass me as a DJ, you know. And carry me go over Metro Media for DJ too, you know. The night, you know, upon him little bike, you know, him teach me to ride bike. And Little Harry never know me from nowhere. That is how much the love was in the business.
Sure.
See, him don't know me from nowhere. Him just a pass me hard. And me have one tape. And me a DJ upon it and him a ride pass and me a DJ upon the mud up with him. And him hear it and him pull up and come in. I say, what you say, youth? That's what I tell you so. Me record it on a cassette. I asked my daughter if she know what cassette she laugh at me. I record it on a cassette and carry it in a little Walkman. I met the youth them here at school and I say, yo, me and Little Harry upon this. I said, go on, man, you're too lie, man, because Little Harry not DJ with you. Yeah, trust me. And I have to bless him up for that.
Yeah.
Wayne Lonesome too was a man who used to pass. A long time Wayne Lonesome that you know. Yeah, man, Lonesome used to pass and DJ for my little song from my veranda too. See? That's, I get my first show shortly after that, you know. When I get my first show, I never bust, you know. I get my first show off a Shining Star. My first show was Champions in Action. See? And as an upcoming artist, they used to pay upcoming artists $2,000 for perform. $2,000. And you go do what you can do. You know? And you don't say after I get the $2,000 my boss. You think I could go back to the band and go tell the band about what I have more money? You better go DJ a big tune for $2,000. $2,000. A man named Jesus. Never forget him come and him that look young talent. And them hear about me and thing and them come give me the $2,000. I said, make sure you come in a Champions in Action. We want some little youth for you. Start as me roll up the poster and carry it go to school and I show my friend them and I say, yo, they put that show, yeah. Man, I said, go on, man. But yeah, man, I'll put it on the show. Yeah. As me I tell the general, when it was time for the show, man, you remember them time the gun salute and go on a dance?
Yeah, man.
Virgin. Other than Tiger, I think I make the most gunshot fire over that show there. Yo, every walk my mouth, gunshot. Gunshot. And I said, John, me, Miss Betty like a son. Yeah, man. And from this on, it really take off. I go do Rockers Award. Fly in from Canada and drop straight to Rockers Award, man. Man, pandemonium when Little Lenny touch the stage, man. Trust me, one thing I can tell you with East Kingston people, you know. Them support them artists.
Supportive.
Virgin, it's when me walk on stage at Rockers Award, and me looking at the crowd, me know almost everybody will stand up what they ball out. Trust me, I don't know me give them ticket for come.
Yeah.
People them buy them ticket for come see them artists. See, I just recently know me as an artist, I boss people go a show. I wouldn't do them thing, man. Our talent real, man. Our thing, a real thing, man. When you hear we there on a show, man, people are come see you. All your neighbor, you not begging a ticket, you might pay.
Yeah.
Man. I make you know when you come and say, boy, man, you been in the front, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Youth nowadays is a proving thing as to who better I know this. Come and see some of them are singing. When you hear them on the music,
I see them on
see,
stage.
and you hear them on stage, you have to wonder if it's the same person.
There's no auto-tune and no melody no them on
See,
stage, brother.
because when I even a cappella, I sound like I record. See?
Which is true.
Yeah, I go in a studio the other day for go do. Put on and take a pan a special. And when I say, no, you have to kill me, the man say, yo. The man say, sure, I know the record I play I had mime over it. The man say, the same thing me I hear, brother. See? And the man say, look how long that. I say, yeah, man, the real music. Ask them how much of them ever see them name a spin pan a turntable. Yeah. How much of them ever see them name a spin pan a vinyl. Eh? Me know some things on time change.
Change still.
The real thing are from back then. Because I see what them do. Swap the thing, the Europeans them swap the thing pan we get trick again. Once again we get trick. Them give it them technology and take our authentic thing. See? Because I am looking at a lot of videos and a lot of YouTube videos where man in a dance a DJ over version. See? And man in a dance upon the sister them and a drink him Heineken. Like what used to happen back in the 70s and the 80s and early 90s. Where man a dance to a girl. And that's going on in Europe right now.
Yeah.
Broad daylight dance I keep. And them out there enjoy themselves while we can't even keep something for 2 hours. We don't know what we have and we are destroying it. See? It is being destroyed right now. May I tell you that? See? Too much gone in the music. Too much killing thing in it. I listen to artists and all I can hear is gun, money and murder. See? When me a DJ, you know, you hear about murder when a man probably get shot. Because them things never see him happen regular, you know. Because we never used to, a ninja man come with badness in a music here. And when ninja man come with badness, a musical badness, you know.
Yeah.
You never ninja man is no bad man. See? That was musical badness. And everybody used to love him. See? Everybody used to love him, but his physical badness and go on now, my brethren. A man a come a session and if you check him entourage, 2 or 3 strapping in the mids.
Yes.
I never know nothing about gun them. Let me tell you something, me a DJ and police stop me, you know. Remember one night my driver carry me home and police stop the vehicle. And the driver said, boy, a little Lenny me carry home, you know. But I wasn't fully asleep. You know, you're tired and you lie down. And police said, open the door, let me see him. And open the door and I'm looking and I say, yeah man, I say, yo, carry your mom safe, you know. See? Nowadays you go stop, you run up in a spot check and you go tell the police about artists. And you want to check, hey, pull up over there, sir. And you want to check because you are going with the thing. No respect no there for artists again.
True that.
No respect no there for artists again. I tell you, as artists, you go through the world, you get first class treatment. Nowadays you have to have big name to get first class treatment.
Yeah.
See? But that man you say you're entertainer back in the time, you're good man. You're good like gold, you know, go through where the regular man go through. No, you have to go through that. Yeah, take a search and go through. Yeah man.
Lenny, you have said a lot of things about the journey and the challenges. And you walked away from the music, at least for a while still, yeah? And the career did kind of stagnate in a real life. Looking at the journey though, looking at your experience in the music, is there anything, but if I get the chance, to redo the journey, redo the career, you then do differently?
Oh yes man. Manage myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. No management. See, because if I was managing, if me didn't manage myself from them time then, see, when a man see me out the road, he have to say, Mr. Lenny. You understand?
Yeah.
You see like how you see Mr. Leach in a flying helicopter over the thing? A man just say, right, the Lenny helicopter that fly over there, sir. Yeah. And them kind of money there in the business. See? So the only thing that I would have changed, I would have want angle the thing myself. See? Because you see the sugar make enough man just get greedy. When a man see the sugar flow in, a man just say, boy, you are my jar alone this for full. See?
Yeah.
And they don't care about you. It don't matter. You just want to know you and your pitney alone are eat. You don't give a rat's ass about the next man. No, you don't. You know, him could have eat out a rubbish pan. You don't care. And that need to stop. But with some of them youth nowadays, them understand the thing. I bet it's something like that now can't reach Chronics. Coffee look like she have a great team behind her.
Yeah, man, them have tea, man.
Yeah, man. We did have tea. But what the tea stand for? We did have tea. Yeah, man, we did have a tea. But where the tea stand for? Tea stand for thief. That we did have. We never have a team. We did have thief. That we did have. See? But never care about you. See?
Yeah.
Man just want to say I make the music and the money I flow in a feed them pocket. See? Point blank. No two ways about that. You understand? And that is what you can ask many other, hey, if you just think, you know, you will see a lot of entertainers that has withdrawn from the thing. See, I won't call them name, but me and them rap sometime. We talk to each other on the phone, you know, and them express themselves to me and thing, and you know, we share views. And at the same thing I reach me, reach them. See? I may see the same thing reach some artists in a modern time, which they should have known. Them should have taken my mistake and correct for them part. You understand? Because it even happened to Beenie Man, you know. Because I don't think when Beenie Man left Shocking Vibes, him didn't have no money. I doubt it. He had his talent and he was still on top. So I guess that saved him. But he said it himself. He said it himself. There was nothing there. You know? And I think the music, along with Shocking Vibe, was so powerful. As nobody will ever pass through that camp hands should be feeling for anything. Because I tell you, say, I can name a certain camp we produce some artists, and all of them artists are successful. Even the smallest one reap success. See? Because those men look out for them artists. See? Those men look out for them artists, them satisfied with them share. See? But other people just give you a slice and take the rest of the cake. You know, and your slice have a share for so many. You know, it have a share for the youths them, it have a share for mama. See? Man, them brainwash me wicked in a brother. Let me tell you, say, the man them brainwash me, that's me and my own siblings never get along. You understand? Because I was told that, yo, your brother grudge you. See? I'm a wicked something that you know when a man come whisper in your ears and tell you, say, your own brother grudge you, know. See?
And you're young, naive.
Yeah, man, you're going to believe that, man.
Go level.
Yeah, man, you take up everything and say, yeah, true. My brother, watch how he look for me. See him? How he look for me, so? Like you just fly in him vex. Not knowing that me could have my brother fly with me.
Yeah.
See him?
Man, them so sees at this
Oh, God, man. You know the man them do?
Lenny.
See the space my brother should have? Strangers have it. Because you go with sometime and you say, so why the brother you travel with me? Where him do? Where him be? See him? Oh, I'm an engineer. Yeah? Wait. And you do out there and him don't touch a key. Up until now, that man don't know nothing about engineering. And you have that man on the road with us as a ninja. But if you carry my brother, come, make my brother carry my bag them for me, man. Make my brother prepare my clothes. Make my brother look after my meal. See? Make my brother be my right hand man. So me I say, but you carry out in the wilderness with strangers because you know what you plan to do. You know, say, you don't want nobody to whisper in my ears and say, yo, a $5,000 pay fee, you know. See? You just want me to believe what you tell me. And it did happen. Did that, but that's
Lenny,
not
you do collab with D-Bro, which most man can't even mention that. They have a remix that themselves.
Yeah, man, they have a splice or split.
You do collab with Professor Grizzly. But no, you're not actively involved in the music as back then still, but you're still dabbling in the music.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Before you go any further though, is there anybody where you never worked with before, collaboratively, where they like a voice a song with?
You know, to be very honest, and that one might sound strange. The Killer. Real general.
The realest general,
Yeah,
sir.
man. Even though I and I man was before him,
Yeah.
but come across him a couple of times and him give him respect. See him? I'm rate him. first time I hear about the killer, you know, was Reggae Sunsplash 1993. As I tell me and Tanto me trap par again. I hear one song we say, New Gunbridge shot bad man a burst. I say, yo, what that? Because the things start changing now, you know. See? So, when I hear that, I say, me and Tanto are driving, I say, what is? What that? And I say, yeah man, when you they're bound to kill him, I'm a boss. Him wicked. And I say, yeah. And we got a Sunsplash backstage, I see him. And him go on with him own band and thing and him move the crowd. So I say, Tante, you know, say you really, I true you because you have bad, you know. And at them time, you know, the clash thing start. With the man.
The doctor.
Yeah. You know, as you mentioned, doctor, you know that I was the DJ that was referred to as the doctor. I don't know if you didn't know that. Yeah, man. I'm going to take you back a little bit again. Yeah, man, I was the first DJ that was referred to as the doctor because everything where I used to sing.
About the girls' body.
Yeah.
Man,
no, man, we're far from no man. Try, let's go target, try. Run back to your memory. Fragile body.
Fragile punani.
Hey, this is your doctor speaking.
True.
And I have the remedy for the fragile punani. Get that? You understand? So, at one point, Firehouse George used to call me. He used to call me the doctor, and he used to call me, oh God. Will that bring you back to again?
Oh God.
Thank you very much. But my one wasn't. I never extend my one, so you should have said, oh God, oh everything, every pull that was oh God. So George used to call me oh God. Every time he said, wow, oh God.
Yeah.
And we used to walk in a stage show and hear the big man on stage. I drop 1 and 2 on my thing. That's that car. There was this song where they forgot on the Sony album too. I tell you, there's enough tune we didn't make one song named oh God, what's that song name? The song say, when you hear the voice of Little Lenny say, you know that tune there?
Babylon.
Yeah man, but I never Babylon me say.
Yeah.
See? I don't know if I can't say it, but
yeah.
see? Because you know, all the things set
yeah, well.
I mean, I say, them say me thinking, Pierre Ponani all the time. That's Buju Banton now. When Buju Banton just a come into the thing, Dave Kelly brought Buju Banton in the studio to record on the rhythm. Buju Banton did a song named Girl for Beg. You know the song there?
Yes, man.
Alright. And that tune they take off. You know the song there. Them say me thinking, Pierre Ponani all the time. It's just a system. Reality itch up on my spine. I'm not a coward, make a draw to rhyme. And I love the bodies, but I do like the crime. But as a star, that's why me a shine. Just like a mountain, the charts me a climb. Sit up on the top, I watch the girls them behind. Watch them a bubble and watch them a wine. Boy, she have a heavy waistline. So wine, girl, wine and wine in a time. Cock out your foot, cause this is Little anytime them say me thinking. I don't know here. I'm
not familiar with that one, them choose still.
Google that one, the man. Say me thinking it.
Good tune that.
See him?
Yeah, say me thinking.
And Buju Banton come mash up the rhythm, man. Girl for big.
Just get them out.
Yeah, man. See him? And another rhythm again that was played for me exclusively was 7-inch long, still coming for Little Lenny tone. See, because I'm telling you, so Tony Kelly gifted in about the man. See, you give them 8-inch long, still coming to carry it home. I could have 9-inch long, still coming for Little Lenny tone. I could have 10-inch long. So you tell you, drill the hole to the bone. I go and sink, you know the side. Guess what now? I'm a little short man named Tiger. Come here, the rhythm. And Tony Kelly bring him in the studio. And the man was growing, the man was saying, dead now. I want to take man for. Jesus Christ, man. Shocking vibe, they're on fire.
Yeah.
Remember, me tell you. And guess what? That man was nowhere around them time there. See? That's all me I try to make people.
Fire come from Lenny?
Yeah, man, that man was nowhere around. See? So, when you come with the little false thing, no bother with it. See? Just start the truth and make the people them know the truth. See, we not fight for nothing, but just leave my little piece of the cake what me get, so me can enjoy. Just leave me to that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, you know, I have nothing to do with my career, nothing. More than you sing backup vocals in a two of my tune them. See, Glam It Enough.
Yes, or hold it up, cause some
Yeah,
people
man, it's
need
here, man. Yeah, hold it up. You say, hold it up. If you listen good, you will hear the voice. And remember, hip hop, I like a crossover thing named Wicked and Wild. When you say, Wicked and Wild, listen to that voice that says Wicked and Wild.
Yeah.
See? And you will know. See? Because we are about Jamaican.
Then,
Yeah.
Glam It Enough a big song.
Yeah, man.
One piece.
Big tune, man. So me say, all of the girls, you have the Glam It Enough. Hold up your one, hold it up. All of the girls, you have the Glam It Enough. Hold up your one, hold it up. Hold it up. Oh, she have 1 pound of fluff. Hold it up. Oh, she have. But it make me laugh, you know. But then me have some tune, man. Oh my God. Probably me need to check them album there and listen to them. You have to listen and laugh and enjoy them. You know, even though some of them X-rated.
You have a tune when you introduce yourself, and Little Lenny is the name.
Yeah, okay. All right. I think that came out the first album. That was one of the songs where when we in the studio, you remember from the first reasoning I show you say, Big Boss say, just make tune.
Yes.
And I would take care of things. That is how that song came about. Come and say, Little Lenny is the name. DJ is the game. To last very long. That is my aim. See?
Yes.
It's because of that reasoning that why I come up with that song there. See? Some DJ in this just forget a little fame, forget a gold watch, and get a gold chain. See? And them not save no money for the day when it a rain. Which me never even have money for when it a drizzle. But
And that's the music.
I just the music.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of times, back then, people see us artists out there and you're bashing and look good and them say, boy, I'm rich, you know. Whoa! You're supposed to have a whole heap of money. Have what? Have nothing, man. It's just a clothes you have and untold a piece of trinkets around the neck. Nothing. Nothing, brother. Check big man pocket. Big man have all the food. See? So I tell you, say, see Dave Kelly and Tony Kelly. That is when the things start opening up and man's eyes start opening. The man do a show and say, big man have the money, so him have the boss. Right. So I will have a deep meaning in the music, you know. I want to listen to you know. When me a DJ and man and Terror Fabulous come and studio, come see me, the man just say, I look at me, and I said, John, I said,
Great Terror.
Yeah, man. I'm tell you, say, as a DJ, I'm a rate.
Legendary DJ, Lenny, man.
See?
Legendary.
I really wanted to do a collab with him too. But you know, you understand film situation.
Yeah.
You know?
Sad.
Yeah, man, really, I'm a dopes, man. I'm a general. Trust me.
And you're Terror good, you know?
Yeah, man, me and Terror always good. Me and Terror always good. As me tell you, a few DJs where me and them, I mean, a DJ never really have a wrist of edge.
When you Risto?
Nothing. Risto was just a bad man.
Yeah.
Risto was just a bad little youth.
Yeah.
Where him grew up among some tough man, which I did. You understand what I say? But I never chose to be like them or to behave like them. See? But him just have it like Rasta. When you go in a jam, him come and him slap him half a last. Oh, I don't want to go up on my turf, you know. I couldn't manage him, brother. At one point, a week come and I have to come and say to him, say, oh, I'm telling you, you can't behave yourself. See, Lord the man come for transact this is the Lord the man, brother. You know, they used to just laugh. I never pay him no money. It never got physical. It never even have no form of confrontation on stage. Yeah. He tried it one time over Fort Clarence. And Barry G put him in a place. See, Barry G stop it right the song in it. Cause I don't know if you're aware of this, you know. The music was so nice one time, you know. That's as an artist, every Sunday you could have go over Fort Clarence, go earn a food, you know. You never even have to dip on the show. And management used to say to me, say, yo, stop it, you don't want nobody call you Fort Clarence artist. See, every Sunday there was a major show at Fort Clarence. And every Sunday they show them ram. See, them something not going again. I'm thinking up here killing and you know.
Let me ask you something. But no, say you're not really in the music again like a lot of artists, yeah? Because I say we know you're still dabbling in the music. And you still voice don't play it on them.
Oh yeah, up to when? the man them have the road there vice me out like crazy. Yeah. Right, but and you know, me not cut your question.
Yeah.
When the man them vice you and them pay you, you laugh. Because even now, when them pay me for a special, I've never seen anything like that, anything like this back
Before.
then. You know, I laugh. You walk with the studio, you walk with $100,000. And I said, Jano, you know, this is really out there. But that's how it go.
Is there anything in the music or musically where you not achieve it, where you still hope to achieve, even though you did walk with per se from the music?
If I think about it, it's just climbing certain charts. Yeah. But I really want to achieve a Billboard success.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which, when you do the maths, and to what go on now, the equivalent of what go on now to what me sell back then, a Grammy would I get, man. Because when we hear some numbers, where they must say some tune sell 400 copies, 400 downloads.
On Billboard.
And they're on Billboard. When
Going in a baggy?
not only good about it, even put on integrity, even Buckflick, even all of my tunes. But we'll go back to gun in a bag.
Yeah.
When we hear, so we have to make 4 sit a stamper for gun in a bag. You know what I tell you, say? Tune a press and stamper boss.
Mash up.
Yeah, man. Tune a press and stamper boss. When me get the figures and me say gun in a bag sell 80,000 copies locally. Locally. That thing is a major achievement, Bridget. See? Compared to some man who sell 600 downloads, 500 downloads. I don't know how them work out that, but if you make a song that sold 600 copies, no producer don't want to see you back in the studio.
Yeah.
No producer I go want to see you back in there. If you put out a tune back then and it only sells 600 copies, Donovan Jeremy never run out of the studio. Because them are the real producer. You know. When you're in there, you make tuning and you know, dip on the beat, you know. Jeremy come and him hold up him key.
No.
I tell you, say half key. Yeah, man. Catch a key, brother. Catch a key. Yeah, man. Now, some songs when I hear a road, you couldn't ask someone like Jeremy to produce that. Because it never would have record. You know? But right now, I just sit down and observe. I observe. I don't know if I want to jump back into the thing 100%, but you know, if it's even 50,
Yeah.
we'll do a thing. Yeah, man.
And you have some unpublished stuff where eventually.
Yeah, man. Whole heap. And you know, funnily, a lot of people calling me for shows, but we just not take them.
Why not?
After all that I have been through.
But none of them put it through it.
Yeah.
Lenny.
But at this old system, at the same system.
Some of them people are new people, man.
Me go mash up a few of them still.
Yeah, much of you are them.
Yeah,
Any
yeah,
bookings presently?
Yeah, man.
Where
But as
can
me tell you,
people see
say,
you next?
Not locally though, you know.
Not locally.
Oh, overseas.
Yeah. Not local for the time being.
No. No. I just business locally.
Ever thought about producing or management?
I mean,
Managing an artist or producing artists?
well, as I tell you, I've done that before. I've done many of that. And I never think about artist management, you know. Well, at one point, but I never because I remember when Dexter, he just a come. And with the link him down a CV and him look a boss, you know. I try to get him on certain things, I try to get him morning time, I try to get him certain interviews. But it never materialized and just jump out of the park, wicked for
Yeah,
the
man.
one. You know,
Dexter have him thing locked over.
yeah, man, I mean,
Girl and
then I'm
DJ.
about second cousin down
Oh,
there.
family settings.
Yeah, man.
Eh,
Grandison, man.
okay.
Theme father, my father, 2 first cousin. So, you know, but a good youth and him a do him thing.
Yeah. If you were to do this over back, would you still choose music?
Yeah, yeah, man. Because I love it. Can't come out of me. No, come out of me. You know, love it.
What's your single greatest moment during the time while you were at the top? most memorable thing that happened to you them time?
As I tell you, for me, is that Mexico show.
Oh, the Mexico
I mean, I
show.
get over it. Ah, no. No.
Yes.
I mean, I get over it up until when I see the amount of people, you know. And you know, funnily, I'm going to show you, say, we still can go out there and do the thing. The other day, we went to Panama. I'm going to tell you something. The promoter wanted a second show the same night, but the authorities wouldn't allow it.
Yeah.
You know? When we fill the arena, because Little Lenny bigger Panama, you know, they wanted a second show, and the authorities wouldn't allow it. When we look on the line, the outside could have full the arena again. Yeah, man. So we still have the power.
Yes.
We still have the pulling power. You know?
Little Lenny, alright.
Yeah, man.
Food up on the table.
Oh, yeah, we have food and we have.
Outside our music.
Yeah, man, we have food and we have life and Rastafari, you know. So. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Because Rasta, I'm saying, right now, the locks for me, you know. Yeah, man, that's the thing, now.
For the true Little Lenny fans, them out there, we are asked for Little Lenny and asked. So where Little Lenny there? Talk to them.
They are live and in living colors. All right and good. I'm praising Jah.
Yeah.
And do the same.
For the people them who want link up with Little Lenny, whether it is for dub plates or for bookings, even though you're not at no whole heap of show, how they go about doing that?
You know, some of them can call some of the very same people them were out there do the thing. You know. Even Gary Exodus, Wayne Lonesome is a good man that you can call. Because them man they really get the link through. You know.
Yes, you can call, teach them now too.
Yeah, man, you can call, I'll teach them. You know. Yeah, man. Teach them. You know how to reach them.
Yeah. So you're on social media? No Instagram, no Facebook?
Yeah, man. You know, me have Facebook is Nigel Little Lenny Grandison. But you know, to be very honest, I don't know if it's because I am too mature. I'm not really full on Facebook.
Understand.
You know, on the Instagram and all of them things there.
Yeah.
You know, but just keep it old school. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Just find somebody who know me and link me. But I mean, if you get through to me through Facebook, fine. You know? If you get through to me through Facebook, fine. You work with that. But I'm not something I'm going to run down right now for say. I'm going to run down for boss and run down for go do that show. Then no, I'm all right, man.
Yes.
I learn them teach me a lesson of this thing. I'm good.
Finally, for the young aspired artists, what would be that one advice so you then give them?
Hear me. Go back to the genesis of the thing and learn the thing and stop DJ bull. You hear me? See, if you're going DJ about pom pom, as them have to go edit this, make it be a good pom pom song. See? Yeah, make it be a song that people can listen to and dance to and sing to. See? But look here, man. Go back to the genesis of the thing. Talk to some of the teachers, see, and learn the thing. Yeah, man. And come back and you'll be a better DJ. Remember me tell you. Yeah, man. Find the Brigadier Jerry's, the Josie Wales, all of them, man, the Daddy U. Hey, I did a song with Daddy U, right? I'm going to tell you something, man. Brother, it's a
The
joy.
song, man, with all the states as well. Yeah.
It's a joy.
Yeah.
Because hear the thing I say, yo, I turn to see, I say, my brethren, I have to knock that tune, you know. Because I have to find Daddy right. Because if you listen to them, man, the brethren, it's a joy, man. Ranking Trevor, man, is another. Hey, never tune coming out. Ranking Trevor, you know.
Yeah.
Tribute to Ranking Trevor. Remember, me tell you. Yeah? Listen feet.
What last thing? I say some last things about the principal at KC at the time was Mr. Cohen.
Vivian Cohen, man.
If you were able to have a conversation with Mr. Cohen today, what would you say to him?
Boy, me no know. Trust me, I want it tough. I want it tough because I was so bitter at the time, you know, because I begged him to keep me in school. So, me no know. But, you know, forget about Mr. Cohen. I wonder if KC you want to graduate, you know.
KC, link up.
Yeah, man. I take the graduation certificate. Yeah, man. I want to go and graduate, you know. The next graduating batch. That's just add me to it.
Brother, I appreciate the reason.
Yeah,
Like some things where you really uncover
Yeah.
Like, it's a surprise to me.
Yeah, man.
And for me, this is a learning process. It's a journey with me upon.
Yeah, man.
Not only for showcase, but also if get some things from the art form and me appreciate that.
It's a university and the literature is there, you know. Yeah, man, I just if you seek and you find it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Brother, big up yourself for that.
That's how we have to do it. Yeah.
But as I respect, you hear, sir?
Yeah, man.
And probably music, would then love to see you again.
Yeah,
Probably.
A lot of people will get lucky.
Yes, we'll get lucky.
Yeah, man, especially the people in Canada. So,
yes, yeah.
well, as me tell them, teach them, you know how to reach them. Yo, a little in the girls, them golden penny. I'm say, nah, you have to kill me dead, pum, nah, better. Run me red, so 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, it have to kill me dead. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, it better. Run me red. So go and tell the world I am the girls, take a red. Nah, you have to kill me dead. Nah, you have to run me red. I am a load cocksman riding the flesh. She put over me shoulder. Hey. Don't tell them, sir, teach them. You want little and you reach them. It's just like this. We tell them we, nobody can test we, how we run the country. Teach them we, nobody can test we, how we run the country. Pam, that the one day you're standing up. Teach them, don't kill it already. Up on the mic, now this is Little Lenny. And everybody, if you come follow me go so we, nobody can test we. Teach them. Make sure that one you reach them.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.